Whoa!
Yeah. They'll be like, hey, hi, you're Govind. I'll be like, fucking, it's Dr. Govind for you.
My family used to have a franchisee of Chaat.
You used to do shows also at Chayo somewhere, no?
That was yours?
Hira Nandani, yeah.
What? A real drum kit with me for a while. He's having fucking rusk. I was not going to bring it up when you said the walking thing. Now that you bring this up, you owe me money, you motherfucker.
Go and listen to me. I will always owe you money. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Spender Bender. Another episode is here. My name is Hosha.
Wait, sorry. Is this the 50th episode?
Is it the 50th episode? No, I think is Ronak's episode going to be the 50th episode?
We'll make it so, I think.
Yeah, we'll have to make
This is either
Ronak's
50,
episode
49 or
the
50th.
episode. Yeah.
Welcome to the 51st episode.
Welcome to one of the episodes after the 50th episode.
Or maybe one before, who knows?
Welcome to a episode.
Welcome to a episode.
An episode.
Welcome to an episode of Spender Bender.
The episode.
Welcome to the episode of Spender
What a
Bender.
start.
Amazing start.
What a start.
My name is Oshang. This is Govind, and today our guest.
Yet
Yes,
again.
we were gonna have a very cool guest. Okay, we had logged this person. They were gonna be here, but then they saw our subscriber count. And
Yeah.
they were
They
like,
always knew our subscriber count, but today something changed when they saw our subscriber count, and they told us that they won't come.
Yeah,
until
they said we are not going to waste our Monday evening to come on a podcast with less than 10,000 followers.
Yeah, less than 10,000. The point is, please help us reach 10,000.
Till
Come on,
we don't
dude.
cross 10K, all you're going to see is this face. Okay,
Yeah.
He's
Done.
gonna be here in front
That's
of the camera
Every single time.
till you help us cross 10K.
If we don't reach 10K pretty fast,
Yeah.
soon we'll also be gone. It'll just be Antriksh.
Take a look, guys. I know a lot of you hate me. There's a lot of hate for me in the comments. I get it.
Dude, actually they like it because then they can just bully Antriksh.
Yeah.
They really want to bully
Bro,
Antriksh.
classic comments. We're gonna put them somewhere around my face.
It's so funny, dude. Please keep bullying Antriksh, but thoda limit mein, but bully him.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
feel free to bully, no problem. But also fucking subscribe if you want to see
Dude,
more
come
people.
on. Yeah, dude,
Or
come
we'll
on.
bully you.
Yeah, we'll bully
yeah.
you. Please help us reach 10K, man. It's embarrassing for
See-
you. For you, it's embarrassing,
To be
dude.
following a show under
Yeah.
10K, what are you losers?
Come on, dude.
Yeah, what does it say about you guys?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know. What does it say about them? They're
We
following.
I
like
don't
niche
know.
things. Let's keep it at that.
Whoever has subscribed, thank you. Whoever hasn't, please subscribe. Please just come on, dude. It's been more than 50 episodes.
And we are being nice right now, unlike other podcasts who are threatening to stop their shows.
We'll put a link.
Broke Studio.
Unsubscribe to Broke Studio.
Actually, you know what? Don't even let us cross 10K. Just keep us as close to Broke Studio as possible.
They're our closest competitors, okay? Broke Studio is that's the closest
It
competitor we
started
have.
with Ek Ladi Pav, but they are far now.
Sorry,
Now
sorry,
it's
Ek Ladi.
Broke Studio.
Ekladi Pav is gone, but Broke Studio is our closest competitor. It's not close anymore.
Yeah,
That
it's
is the
getting really
problem.
far. The distance is increasing.
Come on, dude. Okay, anyway, subscribe.
But
okay?
also, we have one massive news.
What is the massive news?
Oh, you don't know?
What?
All of us collectively
Oh, yes.
have crossed 105,000 followers on Instagram.
On Instagram, dude.
Out of
How
which
awesome is that?
5,000 is me and Antriksh both.
By the way,
And
out of
1
that-
lakh is our boy Govind.
amazing,
Yay!
Out of that 5,000, I think 3,000 is yours.
Hey, 2,500. 2,500.
Let's be honest, dude. What are we-
How's it
why are we
5,000?
lying?
Oh, including Spender Winter page
No,
also.
mine is 1,700 now.
Yeah, any
You
day
reached
now.
1,700?
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah,
congrats,
Thank
man.
you,
That's
Wow,
a
bro.
Thank you so much.
You
thank
reached
so much.
100,000 and I'm congratulating this bugger.
Me reaching 1,700 is a bigger feat than Govind
You know
reaching.
why? Because he's put fucking
Nothing.
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 That has spent a better on Ushang's account. That's it, dude.
By the way, Spender Bender officially has more followers than I do.
Oh, they do?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
they do?
yeah.
Nice, dude. Nice. So, again, yeah, like around
Yeah.
107,000.
1,000. But guys, all of us collectively collectively reached there. It was a team effort.
Yes,
Team
it was
effort,
a team
Yeah, yeah,
effort.
100%, 100%.
I helped Govind in all of 3 reels, okay?
Yeah, correct.
It's been a team effort.
Now every time I have to promote my That Filmy Game Show live shows,
You
I
know-
know whose stories I'm
Yeah, it'll
using.
be a paid collab with Govind.
It could have been more collaborative. This 100K, I would have given you more credit if you would have given me one of your ideas. That, there's been,
Yeah.
I needed one idea. That one
Yeah.
idea I liked. Okay,
Yeah.
I was like, no,
Hey,
you're
come on,
not.
there were more than one. I gave you a couple.
Yeah, but
I
there was
gave you a
that
couple.
tissue one. I
Yeah,
was like,
yeah.
just to give ideas for reels, you're charging your
I didn't
friends.
know.
No,
I told
so-
him, ki, give me,
Yeah,
please
yeah,
give me
yeah,
this idea because
yeah.
at that point I had run out of ideas.
Okay.
So I was like, dude, please help me out. Give me this. He's like, no, I'll make it. I was like, okay, fine.
Sure, yeah.
5 months later, I was like, dude, just give me that idea.
He's like,
He's
no,
like,
no,
I
no,
might
no.
make it. I'm like, no, I'll make it. Dude, do it.
Because I see him struggling with the ideas. Like, dude, I can't just run out of ideas. I have very limited.
Bro, I think
Abhi,
you
tu
should-
put also
Yeah.
na,
Yeah,
I know, I
you
know.
know,
No, no. Soon, very soon.
You
No,
think
I-
this is
yeah.
the whole game, running out of ideas?
No,
you
now
won't
that
run
we're-
out of ideas. No,
Yeah,
1 second.
yeah.
You won't run out of ideas. You'll just have ideas. You'll
like
put
this.
none of them.
That gives me the hope. Like
Yeah,
when I see
Hushan
my
is like-
notes app.
But I'm like, I had one idea, dude. Don't take that away from me.
No,
you know how
today,
difficult it is?
now I have 53 ideas.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah. I'm like, every time I come up with a real idea, I just note it down. So
Why
whenever I
the fuck
start,
are you coming up with real ideas?
I mean, I'm not sitting down and thinking of real ideas. It just comes and like, okay,
Hey,
I
man,
note it down.
go-
That's
we're,
like
we're
me-
too cool for reels, okay?
Yeah,
You know what?
yeah,
What do you
I
want,
do-
100K followers or something? What is this?
Oh, everybody has a
Oh,
100K
dude.
followers.
Yeah,
Nobody has
yeah.
1700 anymore.
That's like me thinking, for I would have said the brand only, but for your work, basically.
yeah,
I was gonna say.
Again, you have to beep that for some reason.
Keep
That's
it.
like
Who
me.
cares?
53 ideas for. Like, for what, dude?
Yeah, nice.
But no, congratulations to Big Boy
Yeah, fuck yeah,
Govind.
dude.
He has
Let's
crossed 100K. Very well
go.
deserved.
Very cool.
Let's go. It
Very happy for you.
took only 5 years.
And now what's worse, by the way, is he has 100K followers and we have 6,000 subscribers still. Where are the
Boom.
rest 96,000 people, Govind?
We
Ni-
still
90
haven't.
94.
Hey,
94,000 people, Govind. Where are they?
put your 53 reels out, you'll understand how tough it is to get those.
Hey, don't throw that at us. Don't throw hard work at us. What the fuck, dude? We want results.
we still haven't started the episode, by the way.
By the way, if you want to see those ideas, get me to 10K first. I'll only put
Arey,
out
fuck
reels.
his 10K,
One
get
reel
this.
only when I reach 10,000 followers.
Not even spend a minute 10K. My personal account 10K I want if you want to see my reels.
You know what's really funny? YouTube, I go to YouTube Studio now, first vendor. उसमें नीचे लिखा रहता है, you can start membership. I'm like,
Yeah.
for what, dude? There'll be like 2 people coming for memberships. They're like not even 10K people. So get us to 10K.
Yeah, guys,
Anyway,
get us
now
to
let's
10K,
start.
get us to 10K.
Let's start.
Thank you,
Enough,
thank you, thank you for
enough.
that. So,
Right,
what's up,
okay.
boys? What's happening?
What have you guys been spending on, dude?
Man.
Oh.
You want to start?
What? You want to start with, like we have a joint story of something.
Oh, bro.
This is crazy.
Okay,
This
then I'll
is-
start. Then you
Okay.
guys do your joint story.
Yeah, sure, go
Then
ahead.
you guys, I didn't know you were
Dude, look at this
collaborating.
100K attitude,
Yeah, dude, what
dude.
is this? You
I
come
didn't know
first.
you guys were collaborating today, dude.
We didn't know this was happening to both of us. I was
Yeah.
discussing this before the show, and he's like, same thing happened to me. I'm like, that
Like
is
ditto,
crazy.
ditto.
Yeah.
Okay, now I want to know, but I'll just
Okay,
tell. I've
sure.
been spending. So I don't know if you guys are going to stream, watch it, but there's a badminton cricket league. Sorry,
Badminton cricket.
what did I say? Badminton
Cricketers league, okay.
comedian badminton
Badminton.
league.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that's what's gonna happen
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the 1st of April. I don't know if it's happened already.
By the time
By the time this
this episode comes.
episode is out, I hope not.
Yep,
But
yep.
both Hoshang and I are playing. Antriksh is covering it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Covering
The
it as in
April-
covering the court.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, don't play.
The
You have to
April,
walk over him to play.
the April Fool joke is that Hoshang is playing badminton because he sucks
Yeah.
at it.
Hey, I don't suck. I'm just bad at it.
Oh,
okay?
really bad. Sorry, don't suck. Really bad.
No, so the second I got to know ki
Yeah.
badminton, Pavitra asked me, ki,
Yeah.
will you do this? I said, yeah, I want to do this. By the way, never played badminton.
In my life.
Maybe 2 times in my life I've
Yeah.
played badminton.
Really?
Maybe.
Okay.
I've played racket sports. Like I
Oh,
play
got it,
squash,
got it.
I play TT.
Okay, got it,
So
Fair.
I can play. I know that like the learning curve is like
I know.
not.
Yeah, I
It's
get it,
easier for me to learn.
Generally athletic also, I imagine.
Sorry?
You're generally athletic anyway.
No, not
But
really.
you do-
With
you're pretty
racket
athletic.
sports,
Yeah, the sports.
yes. With
Okay.
racket sports, I can play. Football, shit.
Oh,
Cricket,
yeah,
shit.
yeah.
I'm just shit on the
True.
racket ke saath, I have coordination.
Same,
that's it.
same.
Alright,
Yeah, but the second I got to know that Pavitra added me to the group, immediately went on Amazon. I was like, let me get everything. I bought.
A tennis
I'll
court.
tell you how much time I've spent buying all of this because I went to Blinkit because I was like, I need that immediate dopamine hit of getting all of this. But shoes, they didn't have shoes my size. So
What's your size? What does that mean?
11.
I've just bought it on Amazon. Just
Amazon
now.
नहीं मैं Blinkit
Oh,
बोल रहा
sorry,
हूँ
Blinkit.
बस कॉकी होना है ना
Sorry.
बस कॉकी होना है ना मैं चोद नहीं
You
तो
were also cocky, like they didn't have shoes my size. Shut up.
I didn't know how else to say it normally, but
My shoe size is so big, dude.
no. So I was like, ठीक है, fuck it. मैं नीचे जाता हूँ. There's a sports store under my house, near my house. I went there. I told them कि ये चाहिए, shoes चाहिए, and then they showed me some random fucking Indian brands.
Fila.
नहीं,
Fila is
Fila
not
is
Indian.
a
Was
good
it?
brand.
Was
also.
it a
Fila
good
Indian?
Even if it's Indian, it's
still a good brand.
enough
Yeah,
brand.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
but these are some random ass brands, and there was no Yonex, and that's the only brand I know.
Yonex,
Yeah,
correct.
I was like, not kuch nahi hai. And then those shoes fit, but I was like, now how do I tell him कि ये brand चूतिया है? So I told him कि मैं आता हूँ अभी.
That is a
Oh,
classic.
classic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
आता हूँ, बस अभी आता हूँ.
आता हूँ. Then I went to another. I went home. Sorry, I went home. And then I was like, Amazon से मंगाता हूँ. But then I checked on Google Maps कि आसपास कौन सा sports store है because I need that fucking dopamine
Dopamine
hit
hit
right now.
immediate, yeah, correct.
था एक और पास में. मैं वहाँ गया, वहाँ Yonex था. मैं लेके गया. I think he overcharged me, which I realized later because I went the next day also there and I
You just
saw,
kept going to the store or what?
Yeah. No, the next day I went there. I saw two people next to me bargaining, negotiating.
You could bargain at a
Negotiating.
store?
Yeah, of course. Dude.
Wait,
I
like at a
didn't-
proper
I-
store?
I-
Like that you went to Yonex store?
नहीं,
Or
like,
like
a sports store.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
But
Not
I didn't know you could negotiate. I just said, yeah. I spent 2,500 on. I don't think it's that.
yeah, I did not
expensive.
know that you could bargain on like branded shoes.
Yeah, I didn't.
Can
But
you?
He said Indian brand, no?
I think
No, Yonex.
Oh, Yonex only.
Yeah. He went to like a sports
I
shop.
thought it would be
which-
MRP. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
But
मेरे को-
we did learn in school. Hashtag school. I don't know.
Hashtag
I don't know.
school?
Wait.
Shout out school.
What did they teach you in school? How to bargain?
No, that MRP pay you can bargain.
Yeah,
technically.
MRP is the maximum
Yeah,
retail
maximum retail
price.
MRP
You
is
can-
maximum retail price.
What did you think MRP?
Minimum
was?
retail price,
Manufactured
that's what-
retail price है ऐसा कुछ.
Is it
Manufactured retail
maximum?
price. It is maximum. I think that's you're right.
Or is it
MRP.
manufactured?
No, you're right.
Okay, cool. That's all it takes to
No, by the
confuse
way,
me.
Antariksha says you are right with a lot of confidence and then
Let me
is
see.
absolutely
yeah, that's
wrong.
Let me
That's
see,
happened
let me
multiple
see.
times. Yes.
It happened very
Yeah, yeah,
recently.
MRP full
हाँ ठीक है तू कर रहा है ठीक है कर.
form.
I just got distracted. Started looking at messages, so which is why I kept it back.
What is
Yeah,
it?
maximum retail price.
Maximum retail
Yeah.
price. Okay, yeah, but then
Oh.
sorry, I shoe तो वो दिन मैं first day लिया, and then I was like, I went home, I was like, ठीक है, अब क्या चाहिए? And I was like shorts, but I have shorts because gym, squash,
Yeah,
और
sure.
वो सब के
Yeah.
लिए I wear. So I was like, ठीक है, but let me buy more. Anyway, the
More
thing
never
is-
hurts, brother.
So are
Dude.
there particularly badminton shorts?
No, just
Oh, no,
those
just
wale
shorts.
shorts. But the
Okay.
thing is, Blinkit Pay, there's bold fit करके there's some.
Yeah, of
brand.
course. Yeah.
They have shorts.
Yeah.
Dude, I keep ordering. Like amount
do you
of
mean?
times before badminton practice, I'm like, nah.
What
nah,
is this?
nah,
Wait,
पहन
what?
लेते हैं. 400
Just
400
shorts?
का है भाई 400 500 का
But
है.
yeah, but you have other shorts already.
And you're practicing
But
quite
what-
often.
But what if I have 6? But anyway,
One
but
for
it's
each
so
day
stupid.
you want?
But it's not a bad investment. It's just shorts for. I go running also.
No, and
so,
you can,
but-
yeah, and you can wear them at home. if you're
Yeah.
lounging and
How
all.
many sports shorts do you have?
I am not much of a shorts wearer, so I have like 3-4. But otherwise, I wear like
Oh,
track
I have-
pants or like other kind of like lounge
I have
pants.
an
Bro, I have
insane amount of
two.
shorts.
Because I also don't play that much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, I go running, squash खेलते
Yeah.
time भी gym गया तो gym, badminton अभी, and it's enough things to have a lot of shorts for. It's okay.
Then what else? What else?
No, I got those shorts.
Yeah.
उसके बाद I was like अब racket चाहिए.
Okay, wait, hold on.
After that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You found out you're going to be playing badminton. First thing it was shoes,
Yeah,
okay?
dude.
Of course, need shoes.
Because I didn't have
Then
shoes, yeah.
shorts are like, okay, now how do we play badminton?
I was working my way up from bottom. I was like shoe हो गया, shorts हो गया. अब हाथ में क्या पकड़ूं मैं? No, but then I checked on Amazon था, but Blinkit पे also I found a good Yonex one.
Headband?
No, I haven't
No,
reached that.
headband.
I haven't reached this
The
part.
headband. It's gonna happen before the post. Look out for a fully clothed.
I got a 2,000
Govind.
rupee Yonex badminton racket, which was like good enough.
Oh, yeah.
I got that. Then the next day, I was like, there must be something else I need.
Must
No,
be.
sorry.
Must
Oh,
be.
that's where it came from. Sorry, I went for a practice, okay?
Yeah.
And I saw Kanan
The
Kanan,
best player in the league.
no,
second
not the
best.
best.
Among the best players in the league.
Among the best players,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, among
Yeah.
the best players.
Yeah.
Easily, क्योंकि मैं serve कर रहा हूँ, फट
हाँ.
करके मार रहा है वो तो yeah.
तो उसका तो
easily.
बनता है अच्छे अच्छे
yeah.
No,
equipment
but
पहनना.
you know those that badminton kit. You get a kit like which is
Oh,
like
like
a
a cricket
big,
kit.
yeah,
Oh, like a
a
tennis
big,
kit जैसे रहता है सब कुछ. हाँ,
that
हाँ,
big
हाँ,
ass
हाँ,
like
हाँ.
bag that says Yonex.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
वो
Again,
वाला.
Yonex everywhere, bro.
I saw Kanan with that. I was like, this
Ooh,
is
what is
want
that?
it.
What is that
I-
shiny thing?
क्योंकि I had this duffel bag in my hand and this
Yeah.
badminton
Yeah, you look like a
racket.
loser.
I was like, this is
Yeah.
not cool enough, dude.
Not at all.
Hey Kanan, can you come on Spider-Man and talk about your badminton kit? We
He
would love
will.
it.
He will.
We would
if,
love
if, he will if he cross 10K.
Get us to tell kid.
That was one of the cool guests who said no.
And then hey, he didn't say no.
No,
yet.
no, no, no,
He
no.
just didn't say anything.
No, he said he'll come.
Yeah, he said he'll come.
Maybe.
He promised actually. He actually begged us to get him on Spider-Man.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
But then I went home and I was like, "ये Blinkit पे ढूंढता हूँ." But those were sold out. I was like, there are a lot of people like me, dude. But
Yeah, a lot of people, a lot of professional badminton.
yeah, I guess so. I guess so. But
I don't think a lot of people are like
yeah.
you.
But Blinkit पे there was no Yonex वाला kit bag.
Yeah.
They had 100 करके कोई brand है. I was like, ये सब मैंने खरीद रहा.
Boo, boo.
Then I went to the sports shop. Those
Yeah.
two sports shops. First sports shop. Sorry, I went to the second one directly because I was like, first one was Yonex.
हाँ.
Second one में क्या? They were sold out.
The
were
Yonex
sold-
bags were
Turns
sold
out
out.
the kit.
The kid bag.
Turns out a lot of people.
Wait,
buy.
is there
Then
a new resurgence in like badminton?
I guess so. And then I went to the first shop. They were also sold out. They didn't even have other brands. 100 भी लेके चले गए लोग.
I think
So-
it's Kanan. I think Kanan
wait,
has just
wait.
gone to all the stores and bought everything.
Just clarify for me.
Yeah.
It's just a bag or everything or the contents of the bag also?
Everything. You can put your
Oh,
shoes and your.
okay. But everything
No,
on
it
a
doesn't
bicep.
come,
no.
it doesn't come
that's
with
what-
everything.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
just a carry
Yeah,
bag.
it's a
it's
carry
just-
bag.
The
Yeah,
thing
but
is,
it's like a cool carry bag.
नहीं दूसरे में you have like a छोटा सा अलग से bag, the racket
Yeah,
you
yeah,
carry. ऐसे. This is just one big bag. You can put all of it. It's just more convenient to
Yeah.
carry.
Got it.
By the way, this is after your first practice, like the first time you're
First
playing
one or
badminton
two-
with a net.
two
Literally,
practices.
the third
yeah,
time you
कुछ.
played badminton in your life. You
Yeah,
said,
yeah. And then I saw it on Amazon and I saw good color. I just haven't gotten it yet because
What's the color?
Bluish. Wait, let me see. कौन सा है?
Bro,
Wait.
And Karan
If-
had black. Did he have black?
I don't remember.
If on the day of the match you show up with all your kit looking
I
like
am
fly as
going to.
fuck,
Great.
and then you lose,
then you-
course
and then you don't perform.
you fucking
Yeah, see,
lose, bro.
At least he looks the part, bro. It's
You know
cool.
what I want to do? I just want to practice so much just so I can beat Govind.
That's what I think.
There's no way
Govind
you'll
is
beat
doing
me,
all
but-
this. Govind is doing all this.
Yeah, you're right.
Govind is doing all this for the ego of his opponents. When they beat him, they'll be like, "I beat that guy.
Yeah,
How awesome am I,
yeah.
dude?"
No, dude.
Because
I
he
think
let him look
everyone,
like he's
This
been
guy's
playing
been-
since he was 5
Yeah,
years
he's
old.
preparing all his life for this shit, dude.
everyone will have a kit, I guess. But see this one.
Okay. Okay. I
And
get
you
it.
know what it
Oh.
says? It says Yonex stylish badminton kit bag. It's a stylish
Sold you,
bag,
dude.
dude.
That's how
See?
they get
If
you,
it
man.
says
Sty-
stylish, then of
That is
course.
so stylish. I'll wear that on a flight and all, dude. Like, what?
just kapde.
Yeah, I'll wear it to my wedding.
Yeah, dude, that's so fucking stylish.
No, they have different colors and all. They have a
Do
lot
they
of
have an
colors.
all white for my bride?
It's not even that expensive, by the
You
way.
do realize that you just enter with the bag and you keep it on the side, right?
Yeah.
You're not gonna be keeping it on.
When I
And
travel,
most people just get like a fucking just a regular bag with their
Yeah.
stuff shoved in.
Arey, but the racket you have to carry alag se.
Huh, but it has.
Arey, this is
It's a
750.
one-day comedian league, bro.
No, I'll play badminton.
Oh,
after
sure,
this.
yeah.
No, I will.
Oh, you
I
will?
liked this
Oh, okay.
sport.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
yeah.
it's for 70
We'll see.
70 rupees. Bol
70
750 rupees.
We know
The
how
kit
much
bag.
you use the products you buy because you're not wearing the ring you got
I
last
forgot.
episode.
In the rickshaw, I remembered.
You
fuck,
forgot
I
the ring in
forgot
the
my ring.
rickshaw?
Nahi, ghar pe
Oh,
bhai.
acha. Okay, that would I
Yeah,
got
like-
I
Why
wear
would
it.
you
I
keep
wear
it
it while I
inside?
sleep and I track all my workouts
okay.
on it. But which is very surprising to me also, by the way. I thought I won't.
Can you play badminton with it? Is it comfortable
yeah, I
enough
play.
to?
Yeah,
That's cool. Okay.
I track that also.
Yes.
And it's pretty cool, by the way. Even if I don't log in a workout and I start playing badminton, later it's like workout detected, and then I can just put it in key. Yeah, I played
cool, man.
badminton.
Yeah, my watch
Yeah,
also
that's
does that.
Yeah, it's
Dude,
great.
the other day.
Sorry. So
Yeah,
after that, I haven't gotten the kit yet. But then after that, I was playing once, and Neville Barucha, who's also a comedian, he plays very well.
Badly.
Way too
Yeah,
good.
my vice captain.
Yeah, he's the best player only in this whole league.
I don't understand why he's the vice captain.
Yeah, why is he
Who's
the
your
vice
captain?
captain?
Who's your captain?
Uruj is the
Uruj.
captain.
Who's your
Uruj is
captain?
not that
He's
good of a
vice
player.
captain. And who's your team ka captain, vice captain?
I forgot.
Teira to Kanan hai.
Yeah, I think it's Kanan.
yours
One
is
of
Kanan.
it's Kanan. One of it's Pavitra. I don't know.
Vice
Who's who.
captain,
I don't know
who's
who's
the
who.
vice captain is,
Kanan is.
Yeah.
But anyway, Neville. was playing, ठीक है, he was playing, he was थोड़ा एक दो उधर इधर उसने कुछ गलती कर दी, and he was like, hey guys, wait 1 second. He had a kit bag, obviously. He went to his kit bag, kept that racket, took another racket from inside the kit bag. I was like, oh, that's what a kit bag is. When you have multiple rackets
Yeah. So you
and
gotta buy another
shut
racket,
it.
bro.
I have one racket, dude.
That's how long is that gonna last?
I
You're
have
definitely
two
gonna get another one.
rackets, but because
Why do you have two rackets?
Why
I'll
don't you
tell you
give him
why.
your kit bag?
I'll tell you why I have two rackets, because when I went on Amazon, this is before the Comedian Leagues was announced. I just wanted badminton rackets. Amazon पे 500 में 2 मिल रहे थे भाई, so I just have two
क्या
rackets.
घटिया racket
Bro,
होंगे तेरे पास?
Dude, after this whole conversation, what a great merch idea for Spender Vendor to launch our own badminton kit bag. In particular,
Oh,
badminton.
Yeah,
Spender Vendor on the side.
coming
Oh,
soon,
yeah,
Yeah,
that's
maybe.
true.
Hoshan Govind collective kit bag one. They take
Yeah,
to the
it's a
badminton.
I'm
collector's
telling
item.
you, let's share a kit bag.
Yeah, at least you have
तीन
multiple
होंगे.
rackets. Yeah.
There'll be 3
Yeah.
rackets
Yeah.
inside.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
I should put my rackets in your kit bag.
It's hilarious. Govind is carrying Hoshang's bag.
I just be playing like 1 second, Govind.
मेरा bag.
No, you'll have to call me कि अबे सुन ना तेरे घर पे है ना लेके आएगा क्या? Please आजा Santa Cruz. But that's what I've reached. So now I need a like वो t-shirt like those nylon वाले होते हैं ना, क्या होते हैं वो?
Synthetic
Nylon,
ones,
nylon.
Synthetic ones. Yeah, I need to buy those, and headbands नहीं चाहिए, but I'll get a wristband so that I can.
I think you should
dab.
show up with all
Everything, bro.
Yeah. You should have
I
a
will.
headband.
Yeah.
You should have 2 wristbands.
I'm telling you.
Elbow
You
wale.
need to have those.
knee वाला.
Either your t-shirt or your shirt has to be that neon orange or green. You know what I mean?
Ooh,
Yeah,
The sport where you see these people kind of play badminton.
But
Bad.
and by the way, I'll tell you how far this has gone. I ordered shuttlecocks also from Blinkit. I'm not taking them to the practice. They have it. No, मैं घर पे करता हूँ. मैं घर पे.
दीवार के साथ?
हाँ, मैं बस
के
ऐसे
साथ,
ही.
yeah.
Because I needed to practice a serve, so I was like टक 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 करके करता हूँ. And the good thing is my cat loves it.
Yeah, I'm sure, dude. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah, I
great.
didn't think of
I
that.
also didn't, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे टक करके मारता हूँ and वो ऐसा देखता हूँ.
पंजा मारता रहेगा.
that's
So now I play with him with that also. So it's a
Oh, I'll
multi-purpose
start
thing.
that. I'll start that.
He loves it, dude. मैं मारता हूँ और वो भागता है and he plays with it. मैं दूसरा 5-5 है तो मैं बस उधर इधर मारते रहता हूँ.
यार,
बस.
गलती से विंडो से बाहर चला गया तो
नहीं वो नहीं जाएगा क्योंकि विंडो बंद रहता है क्योंकि बंदर आते हैं मेरे घर पे तो.
Oh, हाँ,
वही तो.
Dude, I just found out before we started recording that I need to buy new shoes. I thought just I had.
That's true.
I
You
thought
don't-
I could just wear my regular basketball shoes.
No, dude, you need those non-marking ones.
I didn't know that was a thing actually.
Yeah.
It is.
I
I
thought, like-
know it's a thing only because मैं squash में मेरे running shoes लेके गया था and someone was like, "Why the fuck are you wearing this? This is not allowed."
bro, this-
That's when I was like, "Oh, it's fucking different for all these
Yeah,
sports."
but this badminton thing is turning out to be very expensive, dude.
Yeah,
This
but
league, I
lovely.
thought it'll be just fun, but I've already spent like 6K on this.
Yeah, how much have you spent? It seems like you spent like 10,
Easy.
12K, 15K
No,
already.
No, around
Not
6K
even
only.
close.
Now you'll get
Yeah.
the kit and all. It'll come to 7. But you
Yeah.
get the bands. Bands किसके लेगा? Adidas के लेगा, of course. Or original. Adidas original bands you want.
No, I'm not. मेरे को brand मैं सिर्फ Yonex के लूँगा. मैं पूरा Yonex sponsored.
Dude, I'll tell you how.
By the way, sorry.
हाँ.
इतना Yonex खरीद रहा हूँ. Yonex was going to sponsor this league,
They've-
but they're not.
they've
They've
ghosted
ghosted.
Pavitra.
It's already sorted.
They've
हमें और
ghosted-
क्या खरीदेंगे हम ये
They've
लोग?
ghosted Pavitra.
Because they must have also been like, हमारा ही लेंगे और किसका लेंगे? कौन और?
हम क्यों sponsor करेंगे? Already wearing it.
Correct.
We saw your practice. Govind kept buying new Yonex things.
Dude, I'll tell you how bad I am with badminton, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Because so I know how to play tennis, okay? I'm a tennis player. I can play that well. But badminton, I'm playing for the first time with a net. उससे पहले ऐसे ही बस सोसाइटी में बाहर नॉर्मल बच्चों के साथ खेला है, ठीक है? So every time I'm standing on court, Govind has seen that. Every time I'm standing in like tennis position. तो मैं ऐसे रैकेट लेके खड़ा रहता हूँ.
Okay.
Badminton में after looking at people, I realized you need to stand
Yeah,
like
yeah.
This
मैं
or
ऐसे-
like this.
नहीं ऊपर so that you're ready.
Oh, अच्छा.
Like you
okay.
can just like थोड़ा knee bend
Yeah.
and ready like this बीच में.
That's
So that
very
you can
intimidating,
like,
dude. Like मार दूंगा तेरे को.
Yeah.
That's what it is. All my shots are badminton shots क्योंकि वो सारे नेट के नीचे से जा
Tennis
रहे हैं.
shots.
Sorry, tennis shot वो सारे नीचे से जा रहे हैं. नेट के ऊपर से जा ही नहीं रहा है.
तू क्या
So
backhand
you're bad at
दोनों
tennis
हाथ
also. Yeah.
for badminton
I
backhand
mean
दोनों हाथ.
now अब single हाथ हो गया लेकिन the first couple of times I played I'm just so used to playing
Yeah.
tennis.
Dude, it's insane that you're bad at badminton, but tennis is way tougher.
अरे but tennis I've been playing since school तो मेरे को
Yeah,
वो आता है. नहीं, I'm now decent at tennis. Like I can have a decent rally.
I'm bad,
but I can't
so-
receive a smash. Anytime somebody smashes, I just give
Dude,
up.
tennis में smash क्या इतना दूर कौन smash मार सकता है? Dude, I've never understood tennis because it's very
No,
tough.
tennis में smash तुम एकदम पीछे से नहीं मारते हो.
आगे से ही?
हाँ, like
Okay.
whenever they give you a volley, उसमें तुम smash
अच्छा,
करते हो.
no,
Yeah.
tennis is too tough. I've played it once or
Yeah,
twice. I was
dude,
like, this
it's
is too much.
incredible.
It is
Yeah,
fun.
but wait.
Table
what-
tennis zindabad, guys.
Table tennis
अरे
तो
best
जिंदाबाद.
भाई,
Best game
best.
ever.
I mean, तेरे
Best.
पास टेबल टेनिस टेबल नहीं थी, तेरे पास 6 रैकेट थे. Do you remember one of the
छह
episodes?
नहीं थे.
5-6 तो थे, 4 तो तू मेरे घर छोड़ के गया था.
वहाँ गया फिर थे छह. No, TT I'm good at. I'm
Yeah,
not even
yeah, yeah.
average
No,
at. I'm
TT is
good
good,
at
TT is
TT.
good, TT is
So
good.
that is okay. I'll spend on TT because I
Yeah.
really love that game.
If we
So-
reach 10,000 subscribers, we'll do a members only table
TT
tennis match against
where?
Govind Menon. I don't know.
Who where? हाँ, कहाँ
Just
पे
announce,
भाई?
bro. 10,000 पहुंचते तो
हाँ,
देखा जाएगा उसके बाद.
कर दो.
देखा जाएगा उसके
Guys,
बाद.
Immediately.
I'll start breathing after we cross 10K.
No. We'll play TT. Okay, we'll play TT, and Antriksh will play it naked for you guys.
Dude, you will get minus subscribers.
Yeah,
What are you
we
saying?
need to increase subscribers,
Yeah, bro,
not
what-
lose whatever we have.
Sorry. Okay. But yeah, that's what I love.
No, same.
Badminton. I'll wear a I love badminton t-shirt and come.
Man, I actually think a lot of this is going to be a waste of money because if you've not played badminton much,
No, but
see-
he's right. I also, I think I'm going to continue playing badminton after
Yeah.
this because
See,
it's a lot of fucking fun.
It's
dude.
fun. See, I
It is
like.
fun, yes.
I don't go to the gym because I don't like the
Yeah.
Monday chest.
Yeah.
and
Fair.
Tuesday back karunga. I don't like that workouts. I like playing games. I mean, all these sport. वाला ये and I play squash and swimming वो सब ठीक है. But I needed a new sport anyway. And badminton is a lot of fun. Dude.
Yeah, it
and it's
is.
very tiring.
and
You-
fair in your lap in a way.
Yeah, if I play for 2 hours, that's enough for the day, dude.
For sure.
That's enough
100%.
workout for the
Like
day.
crazy badminton,
It's
yeah.
very tiring,
Yeah.
dude.
Dude, I've started looking forward to playing badminton.
Yeah, same.
I had never thought of doing that. It's fun. It's really fun.
No, this I won't. I know when I'm not going to waste money. Or I've done it so many times.
Sure.
I kind of know कि ये इतना waste नहीं जाने वाला है जितना.
Oh,
मतलब
fair.
sure, maybe थोड़े time बाद I'll be like fuck this game. But right now I
When
won't.
we start playing paddle.
Yeah. By the way,
What?
I'm on a paddle group also now. I'm gonna start playing paddle also now.
Oh, so you're going to buy all the paddle gear?
Yes, I am.
I mean, but whatever gear you have bought already doesn't work for paddle.
I don't know. I haven't
You just
started
need- you
going.
need a racket,
I haven't started
sure.
going. It's with Vineet, Rohit Shah, Hussain.
Yeah,
All these
in
people.
Andheri, na?
Yeah,
Ah.
Oshiwara. So that's closer to my house. So I was like, let's go with paddle also.
Sorry, Husham,
I-
we can't join that group. It's only 100K plus followers.
I actually don't want to join that group because I'm going to play paddle this Thursday at Taj.
Who gives a fuck if it's Taj, dude?
Yeah, dude.
I
You're
don't
gonna
know.
suck at Taj. Who gives a fuck if it's Taj?
What Taj?
That's fair.
Spoken like a proper tier 2 person.
the Taj-
I'm gonna play paddle at Taj.
By the
Who
way,
cares if
why
it's
the-
Taj?
But it's a little weird. Why is there a paddle code inside of Taj?
But you can book it alag se, na?
Huh? You can book it, Alexa.
It must be expensive. How
I don't
expensive?
know. I don't know. Nafkar is
Now
booked
your
it.
rich friend pays
Hey,
it.
come on, stop saying rich friend because he watches the show, dude. The other day I
You bring
met
him up all the time.
You guys keep calling him a rich friend. I just keep
Because
saying
you're the
Nafkar.
one who-
That's how it started. Yes, I
And he
remember.
still continues being rich.
He's,
Okay.
he's just not stopping.
Exactly.
He's just
What are we to
keep
do?
getting richer
That's how
and
it started. Okay.
Yeah.
You expect us to forget that you said it or what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep bringing it
Yeah.
up.
And
I didn't
we
say
all
it
know
by
how
rich
much
friend.
you
I
love
just
them.
wanted to give context to people why.
This is the context you wanted to give.
I gave
that
context
he's
to that,
rich.
like how is he affording all of this because he's rich.
Dude, one of my favorite comments in the last few episodes was, I want to have a friend like Hoshang who brings up his best friends in every conversation.
Yeah.
Dude, my friends are so happy.
Yeah,
because
dude.
I sent a
They're
screenshot
becoming-
to that.
Dude, they are getting followers because of Spider-Man. Yeah, I want to be rich friends. I want to
You're
rich friends.
gonna play paddle at Taj.
Yeah.
Okay, but how much is it? You ask now.
I have no idea, but I know Karan will be there.
I know Kanan plays there. I heard Kanan plays there. I know.
Karan and Nafkar play together now.
Okay.
That's great. It's
I'll also
insane.
come once. I
Arey,
practice
aaja
at
bhai, Nafkar.
Oshiwara. I'm a 100K person, dude. I can come. I can
come anywhere now.
I can come
That's
anywhere.
Doors just
That's
open now.
true.
If someone is like, hey, you come, like, excuse, sorry, sorry, it
That's
might
our
go down.
identification now.
It might go down to 99.9K. It's just at 100K right now, but please, right now it's 100. I took a screenshot. Dude, the second I hit 100K, I hit a screenshot.
Yeah, what if it goes down?
Yeah,
Then you
what
should
if it
prove.
goes down to 99999? I'm like, oh, no, I'll reach.
Correct.
But yeah,
Fuck, that's
paddle and
crazy.
badminton. I'm gonna spend on
Yeah,
sports
this
now.
year is all about sports, brother.
Yeah.
I am also, dude, the other day I realized, like this is before I started practicing badminton, I realized how less I was working out because I had gone down to run some errands, okay, to like buy groceries and all.
Okay.
And I was walking and my watch was like, hey, are you working out? like, no,
Wow,
brother.
dude.
I'm just walking. You want to record this walk? No, I'm just buying bread and cheese, dude. A good segue. One of the things on my wish list is that I want to now finally, I think I'm thinking of getting a walking pad.
Oh, I have one. I love it.
It's good, right?
great.
To
What
I
get
is
my
love
a
it.
steps
walking
in.
pad?
It's
Like
like
the
a
treadmill
the
thing.
treadmill thing,
but like
yeah.
a very
Those are
portable treadmill.
expensive.
It's. I think it's 10K something. I
Yeah,
saw it
12
on Amazon.
something.
Lifelong
That's
ka koi
it?
to- Yeah,
Great,
it's not
great.
that expensive.
Very good.
Uruj got it. I tried it. It's very good. No, but the problem is, Uruj has a big house, so वो कहीं पे भी रख सकती है. I'll need to keep it under my desk. यहाँ पे बाहर तो नहीं रखूंगा मैं, अंदर रखूंगा because I
No,
want
but
to.
you can get it out and.
I can get it out, but I can work also while I'm walking.
Yeah.
But my table is like a regular desk table, right? I will need.
Get a new table.
Need to get a smart table जो ऊपर नीचे होती है.
Bro,
So that
those
when
cost
I'm
a
walking-
bomb. Are you
11K.
crazy? That's a lot.
That's 21K.
The 11 plus 9.
Dude.
Yeah, but then I'm
Hoshang,
saying,
Hoshang-
Hoshang,
bro.
I was not going to bring it up when you said the walking thing. Now
Yeah.
that you bring this up,
Yeah.
you owe me money, you motherfucker. Go with fucking.
go and
You're
listen to
buying
me.
a smart desk. No, I wouldn't have said it with
Listen
the
to
walking
me,
thing.
I
That's
don't-
fine.
I
That's
don't-
your health.
I don't-
Fucking table upar niche. I was like, now the fuck off.
Go and listen to me. I will always owe you money. There will never come a time,
Why don't
even
you
when I have a lot
get
of
that
money,
through your
I
thick
still owe you
skull?
money. So
Yeah,
I
dude.
think we can just stop talking about it.
Why don't you forget the money?
Just
let
assume
me
that
know.
I owe you money
Yeah.
until otherwise.
No, it's okay. Walking wala, I was fine. When you said smart table, jo upar niche, I was like, I'll fucking
Yeah, go
slap
like,
you.
dude, I don't have it. Buy it for me.
Yeah.
Bro, if I tell you the other thing I want to buy along with that,
There's more.
I'll tell you.
Tell me, tell me.
So, I've always been very fascinated by the, people take ice baths.
Oh,
Don't tell me
you're
you're
gonna get an
getting-
ice bucket, like the massive bucket. For
Who the fuck do you think you
Where
are?
will you keep it?
It's portable.
What? It collapses.
Yeah.
So it's like made of that.
Wait,
thin
I'll show you,
material,
I'll
that
quickly show
collapsible
you.
material. Bro, come on! You're gonna
Fuck
look
off.
like.
I will put it
We'll
here.
put
but-
it
It's gonna be so
Yeah, so
weird.
now
bro.
imagine, dude,
No.
I'll be on my
Where-
desk, okay, I'll be
No.
walking out, I'll get
No.
my steps in, and then I'm like, what if I
Again,
can just get inside?
Hoshang,
Yeah.
people do the ice
Yeah.
wala thing after an intense workout. Not fucking walking on a walk.
No, okay, so I'll walk on the walk pad, then I'll go play badminton, I'll play pickle, and then I'll come
You're
home
gonna
and
do
have my
none of
fast
this.
muscle
I
recovery,
would-
dude.
I would like to record one episode where Hoshang is in the ice bucket.
That will be
That would be damn
How much
cool,
is this
actually.
for?
Just
This
for that
is
one
for-
episode, you should get it.
It's actually very cheap, so I'm a little skeptical about
How
this
much?
particular one. Originally it's for 8K, but there's a 75% discount going on, so I can get it for 2K.
This
Bro,
will-
it'll start leaking in your house or
No,
something.
Imagine
I'll tell you what,
Hoshang
no-
here.
Yeah.
No, one second.
Maybe a carpet with
Yeah,
something.
nahi, imagine Hoshang here just broke, it breaks, and
Yeah,
Hoshang,
exactly.
the whole house is
Exactly.
flooded.
It won't break because it says no water leakage. It says here.
In the name of the product. dude.
Look at the reviews.
Oh, actually, yeah, that's a good
Re-
point.
Reviews are pretty high up, no? Like
I
4.0.
started looking at reviews now.
Bro,
You never
bro,
used to-
wait,
I
hold on.
always buy
I've talked about it
Yeah, you
before,
have.
where but now I've
Reviews
started.
are amazing. First is good but costly, but 5 stars. Then product is amazing. Then one is poor quality leakage issues.
Look
We
at
can ignore that.
the low wala
Yeah,
because
yeah.
the
Abhi,
other
but there
ones
are
paid.
more high ones than low.
Arey, those are paid. A lot of them are upar
Comfort
upar
and
wale.
durability should come with a lid and supports, but still works. Spacious. It's
But
spacious.
bro,
Dude,
Hoshang,
the
I
dog
think-
is so comfortable inside.
Brother, I think you're not factoring in a lot of things.
Yeah.
See, the only place you can keep something like that is the drawing room.
Yeah, fair.
Every time you come out and go in, you splash so much water. Are you
So
not
much
thinking of
water.
that, dude?
Where you
You
gonna
need. It
keep
has to be in a washroom. Or like a waterproof
It's
room.
always in a washroom. It's not
Yeah.
in the middle of the fucking living room, dude.
There are so many things you're not accounting for, bro.
Honestly, did not think
That's
of that.
insane.
You didn't think there'll be water all over?
What the fuck, dude?
You're right. I didn't consider getting out of it.
You don't consider the water in the ice tub.
But because in the photo, this girl, she's in the living room, dude.
She's the weird one, bro. She's not normal.
But she made it on the cover, dude. See, look at all of these guys.
Man, Hoshang, this is.
By the way, this is my favorite photo. Look at this. Yeah, camping trip.
just dive into the lake.
Yeah,
Why
it's
you-
not-
Yeah, that's true. There's water right
But
behind.
you need an ice
It's not
bath after a lake
water.
bath, man.
But I'm sure that's a cold place. And the water is also cold. But
But
Hoshang,
this is what I
Hoshang,
wanna-
I'm sorry I said anything about
Yeah.
that desk walk pad.
Yeah.
Because this is even more ridiculous. This is the most ridiculous thing I've heard you.
Okay, but you're okay with walking pad on the desk, right?
No,
Compared
desk
to
still-
this, no,
desk
walking
still does
pad
not
I
make
get.
sense.
Yeah.
Walking pad,
Walking
I
pad,
get.
yeah,
I
yeah,
understand.
yeah.
वो steps के लिए I was also
Yeah.
thinking about it.
Yeah, because I work
But-
from home most of the time.
But
so
bro,
then
you
I-
have a good enough desk. I think a
no,
lot.
but then I can't work because if I'm walking, I
Don't
need to
work,
sta-
just
okay,
walk.
wait, okay, how long do you think you're gonna be walking in a day?
I just want to finish like 10,000 steps every day. So I mean, I can get a lot of work done while walking,
That is.
and I need to type, right? Like that's my work. I need to type. So if I have a standing,
You can't
desk,
use your phone when you're walking.
No, bro.
Type on your
I
phone,
can't,
bro.
I can't write on my phone. These,
course you can.
These 10-second, 30-second reels need a lot of work.
How
Dude,
do
I
you can
get
write and then sync it to your fucking computer, bro?
I'll get this for my parents. I
What?
just realized the walking.
Oh, they make
I
reels
thought the
also.
eyes- I thought the eyes bucket.
No, I'll get the walking thing.
You walk into your house, the drawing room, your dad.
You enter Govind's house in Kochi and uncle is just taking an ice bath.
Yeah.
Dude, so the thing is, okay?
Yeah.
3 days back, I texted both of you on the payments group.
Yeah.
Okay, the guy who identifies reels for us, he has to
Yeah,
get
he
paid.
replied, by the way, on
Yeah.
one of the episodes.
Dude, he has to get paid. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now the thing is, Hoshang has multiple times said, dude, I don't have no money.
No, but I also said, wait, ask him to wait till like end of the month.
And I usually say that.
Right? So when I get
End of the month when
Yeah.
he run out of money again,
Again.
because he's buying all this
No,
bullshit.
I'll get money end of the month. Like one payment will come in, then I can get whatever.
He
I
just texted me today while I was here in this house. Ki, bro, just nudging again on this. This still hasn't come through. मैं क्या बोलूं बेचारे को?
Tell him this is what we recorded. Hey, no. Tell him. Identify. This is a reel. This is a reel that we can make. Oh, Shang.
Dude, it must suck a little bit for him because he doesn't get paid and then he hears us talk about all the things we're spending.
Here's you
money.
talk about it.
You. Oh, listen. I
dude.
pay.
Yeah,
Hey, this is the only time I've told him.
yeah, sure.
Oh,
But
yeah, but
know?
yeah, you're right.
it is what it is.
Absolutely right. I'll sit in my ice bucket and still
dude.
not pay.
Yeah,
now that like there's an added layer with me also, because last month I had paid for Hoshang and he was like, I'll pay next month. I was
Yeah.
like, okay,
That's
sure.
right, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I was like, sure.
Yeah.
And this month he was like, I don't have money.
No,
Yeah,
I
wo-
said end of the month. I said end of the month.
Haan,
Take
haan.
it. Yeah.
But then these two things, I was like, I texted him, "Arey, you're paying mine." He's like, "Arey, haan, wait, इसके wait कर रहा हूँ." It's just insane to then hear you be like, 20,000 ही तो है यार. Come on.
Dude, you know how it is. We live in the future. I know that I'm rich in the future always. I always have money coming in.
dude.
So for the last 20 days, 15 days, I've been living without Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Right? Because so I have unlimited Wi-Fi from Geo Fiber. Okay, it's 300 Mbps, unlimited
You
data.
have 300 Mbps.
I have 300
Same.
Mbps, unlimited data.
I have two.
I have
200.
4 Wi-Fi connections at home, all 300 Mbps, all Tata Sky broadband.
Wait, what? You have 4
His house is
different...
big.
Oh yeah, fair. But one connection,
He
but
can-
4 routers, right?
No, 4 routers.
Like
As in, like,
extenders,
4
na?
connections.
4 connections?
Yeah.
Why?
But you can get extensions.
yeah, why don't I just get extenders?
So, extenders also divide the speed. And the house is very big. Extend करते करते भी
हाँ.
इतना नहीं आता है.
Okay.
So,
So two, keep two.
Yeah, so there's one in
Ah.
the study where there's a study at home where
Yeah.
me and my brother work. So there's one in there. There's one in the main drawing room. One in my parents' room because my dad likes his own Wi-Fi network. And there's one in my brother's room because he likes his own
must
Wi-Fi
be
network.
difficult.
Everyone likes their own
Like,
Wi-Fi network.
Must be difficult being rich, dude. This is so
Sorry, man. Sorry, dude, you want my money so you can buy all the things that you want to buy?
No, just pay Joshua.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, sorry. So you were working without Wi-Fi.
So I've been without Wi-Fi.
How are you
because-
going to work on a walk pad?
I'll tell you how I've been
yeah.
using Wi-Fi also. So I've been without Wi-Fi because I have 300 Mbps, unlimited data is what I was told. Then one day randomly my connection got disconnected and they were like, "You've run out of data." I'm like, first of all, I have unlimited data. How do I run out of unlimited
don't
data?
tell you
But
in the
apparently
fine
there's a
print.
limit. But it's like 4 TB, 5
Yeah.
TB.
They never
But-
expect you to reach it.
Yeah,
Oh.
and
But
it's
there is a
impossible for
did you
me
reach
to
that?
reach.
Yeah.
Not just that. Not did I just run out of data. This is beginning of the month, right after I've paid the bill. So when I called them to file a complaint, these guys were like, "You have used 3 TB data in 2 minutes." They told me a time. They said at this hour you use 3 TB data.
How the fuck did you use 3
It's
TB?
impossible.
And if you do the maths, it's impossible to download 3 TB data
Exactly,
in 2
in 2
minutes on
minutes.
300 Mbps
Yeah.
speed. They're like, "We don't know.
They said, we don't know.
We don't know." And then they said, "You have to buy a booster." So I bought a booster because, okay, maybe it's a fuck up. I don't want to get into it. I just want Wi-Fi. 2 days later, I ran out of booster.
This is Jio, by the
This
way.
is fucking Jio, those fucking scammers,
Dude,
dude.
same thing. So, like 20th of the month, okay, like 2 months back, my internet speed has just plummeted.
Which one out of the 4 routers?
The study one. That's the main one I use because all my file uploads for various.
Can I
shows
just say
go from
something? Now I don't feel bad for you as much because
I get
earlier
it.
I thought you
So-
were also out of Wi-Fi.
Nahin,
You were
nahin,
just
sorry,
like, what
sorry.
Wi-Fi?
Yeah, I'd like to say this.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
when Hoshang was like, "Fuck, there's no Wi-Fi." He was like, "अब मैं क्या करूँ?" Antriksh was like, "Fuck, there's no Wi-Fi." मैं वो room चले जाता हूँ.
Yeah. Dude, the thing is, it's not that. There's a whole setup in this room and all.
Fuck
You
off,
gotta understand.
You just have to move your laptop.
Hey, I got my adjustable height table in this room. Yeah, I
Yeah,
can't go
sorry,
to the
you
other.
ran out of. You ran
Okay.
out of.
So ran out. Okay, 20th of the month, and I'm like, how this? It shouldn't be this slow.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
and 2-3 days you give it like, अच्छा अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा. You start you try
Yeah,
restarting
yeah,
it
yeah,
a couple
yeah.
of times. Call them up. They're like, so you've used your entire data for the month. I'm like, it's crazy. I've never used that much data ever.
Yeah.
Okay, like none of the months have I
Correct.
ever run out. And this month, in fact, like that month, I had like lesser recordings happen for various shows. So I had to upload or use less data. I knew for a
Yeah,
fact.
yeah.
So like, that sounds crazy. But ठीक है, so can I like I need to upload more stuff. Can I like pop it up, like what is it called, pop it up?
Data
Can I
add-on.
pop it? What, you're
Add-on,
taking
data
the
add-on.
virginity
Data add
awards?
on. Yeah.
Can I pop
Like
it?
pop up it. Can I pop up it? Okay.
Yeah.
So they're like, sir, what we'll do, no, for you, sir, for you, because you're such a prized customer, you have 4. They didn't say that. But they were like, because you have like 10 Wi-Fi's at home, what we'll do for you, sir, we'll give you a free pop-up. I'm like, oh great, how much data is like? Sir, we'll give you like 500 GB pop-up. I'm like, okay, ठीक है, that
Okay,
should last
great.
me
Yeah.
plenty of time for like 10 days. Overnight, I wake up. I talk to them like fucking firing. Like how I don't know how this happened. 11 o'clock at night. Overnight, I wake up at like 7, whatever, 8 in the morning to start uploading data. Fucking again, speed is shit. So I call them
At
up again.
least
Like,
you
dude-
have less speed. Mine was disconnected.
oh, disconnected altogether.
There was no speed. I could not use the
this is
internet.
like the point zero something speed.
I
Like
thought
the
that would
unusable
happen,
speed.
yeah.
You can't browse on that.
KB
Yeah,
you
something
can't
wala
browse
speed.
anything.
I mean,
on it.
if when you run out of data, if you have a limited data package, your speed decreases.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
In my case, there was no speed decrease.
There
They
was
just
nothing.
cancelled the connection.
Dude. So the next day I get up and it's been used up. The 500 GB pop-up that they gave me, has been used up. So I call them again, like, dude, you just said you're giving me a pop-up. What the fuck are you talking about? They're like, sir, overnight, you've used up the entire 500 GB that we gave you. I'm like, dude, that's impossible. I haven't done
course.
anything. Okay, मैंने कुछ porn भी नहीं देखा. क्या? What are you talking about? How
वो
much porn
ऐसा
I watched?
कौन सा porn है
हाँ,
भाई
bro.
जो देख लेगा
And
तू
I
500
I was
GB?
porn on 720p. Who's using high data porn? and all?
4K 4K porn.
I don't think porn takes that much data.
I know, yeah.
Why was it your
4K
first thought?
4K 3D porn. सीधा मेरे मुंह पे
Virtual reality.
virtual reality.
Yeah, dude. What the hell?
Yeah.
So then I'm like, okay, so now can you just give me another free one? Because I obviously did not use this, dude.
Yeah.
So they're like, sir, now you'll have to pay. I'm like, what is this scam?
It is a
Why give me
full-on
the free one at all if you want me to pay the very next day?
Bro, at least they gave you one free pop-up. They gave me nothing. I paid for the booster. And then
wild.
I'm out of data again. And what's crazy is like I live with a flatmate, Shreyas. Both of us collectively don't have 3 TB data storage. Like we can't store 3 TB. We don't have hard drives that high.
No, but
like,
streaming,
dude,
weaming वो
3
सब भी
TB,
होगा. But
अरे
like,
भाई,
नहीं, yeah, of
data-
course you
2
can't.
minute. 2 minute.
Dude,
no, no,
even if you count like one movie is like, say 10 GB, you give it like very generously 10 GB.
हाँ.
Okay, very generously.
Yeah.
Like,
Chal
fucking
tu
Blu-ray.
Dhurandhar bhi le le, which is like 50 GB because it's like a 5-hour long
Yeah,
propaganda
so
or whatever.
like, you'll have to watch like close to 200 movies to
Yeah,
get to
dude.
3 TB. It's impossible. What is this?
And
scam?
we don't have that much speed to download 3
Yeah,
TB. Like in
exactly.
2 minutes. They literally
But-
said 2 minutes.
So what's
on call.
crazy?
But wait, how much did you guys pay for this? तेरा booster कितने का था? I forgot.
I think 600,
I
700
see what-
something. हाँ.
Should that is?
Yeah, it's
That's
not
So
cheap.
I
inexpensive,
pay
yeah.
2,000 every month. I think no, 1,700 every month for data. Anyway, like for Wi-Fi. And on top of that, I paid 600 for the data booster, and that also ran out in a day, in one day.
I'm sorry, I have to tell you guys.
Yeah.
Airtel is miles better.
What? Dude,
No
it's only
problem.
because this happened.
Jio was doing
No, I,
absolutely
Abhi tera-
I pay for
अगले
200.
हफ्ते-
Actually, yours makes sense because for 200 Mbps, I pay 1,200 on Airtel. So yeah.
Oh, no, no,
अगले
Airtel
महीने
is
तेरा
more
भी ये होगा
expensive than
तो
Jio.
बोलेगा।
But it's so
Yeah.
nice, dude. Beach में थोड़े problem थे, but that I realized was because मेरे area में the competitors Hathway वो cutting Airtel wires. So that's why network नहीं था 2 दिन, मतलब Wi-Fi नहीं था 2 दिन, and I was like, what the fuck, dude? Everyone was pissed off कि why the fuck don't you have it? And वो लोग message डाले जा रहे थे, we're looking at it. Then I found out online कि the Hathway people were cutting
dude, this
wires.
internet
Damn shitty, dude.
mafia is
That's
crazy,
insane,
dude.
Is that what happened with us?
I think somebody is stealing our data.
Dude, I think.
Yeah.
So I,
How do you?
But how?
Dude, so maybe a neighbor or.
Bro,
see,
my
see, what I
neighbors
think,
are 70-year-old. What are they downloading? Bhajan?
Dude, so that's the thing. If it had happened to only one of us, and like you shared the story with me, and I'm like, oh, that's crazy. It's just been crazy because the same thing happened to both of us.
But also,
it
what's
sounds
crazy
like
is it's
some kind of
different
scheme.
companies. Mine is
Yeah.
Jio, yours is Tata. How is this
So
happening?
yours is
Tata-
not Jio.
No, it's Tata.
broadband.
Oh, shit.
I was
So
gonna
yeah.
get Tata. I'm gonna change my fucking internet service provider.
Usually Tata is pretty good
Yeah.
in
It's
all
been good.
aspects.
I,
Yeah.
before this, it has been good, and usually it is. But this happened, and I was really
But
pissed
now
for
that
that
it's
month.
happened to you, I feel bad a little because I was very pissed on the customer care. Like, कैसा कर रहा हो, scam कर रहा हो, ये
Yeah,
वो, But
exactly.
those guys are also clueless. We
Yeah,
don't
of
know
course.
what to tell you. अब तुमने
But I
कर
think, okay, maybe. I don't know how this is possible, okay? But you know about how like people can remotely use your computer to mine crypto and shit. And that uses mega tons
Oh,
of data.
yeah, crypto
So maybe
to-
something like that. Like there's some
But
malware
what
or
are they
spyware
using
or
my
adware.
TV?
AI.
But what are
कुछ
you
तो
thinking
होगा
my
यार.
TV? Because my laptop is always
So-
out of battery.
So I don't know. See, sometimes what can happen if you have like
Yeah.
What do you mean a bad?
I keep forgetting charge.
Yeah,
because
same.
And I don't carry the
Dude,
charge.
Today I was gonna do a high intensity workout.
Yeah.
And I was charging my AirPods
Yeah,
with my laptop
yeah.
charger. I was like, "Chalo, workout karte." I open the laptop. No charge, and that means I haven't used it in 3 days because that.
Wow.
I was like, I just haven't used my laptop in 3 days.
Yesterday in the evening, I got ready because I wanted to go for a run. I got ready and then I was putting my clothes on. I put my watch on. Watch was out of battery. I'm like, I guess I'm not working out today because if it's not going to
What's
get
not working,
recorded,
dude? Yeah.
what's the point of
I'll just
working
tell my
out?
boss, "Hey, I walked out, huh? Believe me."
But you can use your phone. You can use Strava.
No, I don't like carrying my phone when I go to work out because
You
it's,
don't carry your phone?
I don't carry
Acha,
my
you-
phone.
you
yeah,
have-
I use the watch. तो उसी में
Yeah.
गाने वाने सुन लेता हूँ.
Wait.
But dude,
so what
that's-
happened
just-
in the end with your
Nothing.
Wi-Fi?
So I had
Is
to
it still
top up
on?
He
thrice.
just went to the other room. I'm getting a new Wi-Fi. इसका ज़्यादा
Yours
नहीं
is
था.
back or?
No, it's not
Still
back.
not,
I'm not
still not.
using it. So what I've been using so far is I have Geo connection on my phone also, and I have unlimited 5G on my phone. So I'm just using hotspot, and honestly,
How
it's
do you
been
have
a
unlimited
blast.
5G on your phone? Your
So Geo
postpaid plan.
5G, no, it's not postpaid. Regular 5G is unlimited. If I just get an unlimited 5G plan
Oh,
on
yeah,
Jio,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
unlimited.
I have Jio.
Yeah,
I have
it's
unlimited 2
I
GB a
didn't
day
know.
plan or
Dude,
something.
I kept buying add-ons because I thought कि अब खत्म हो
No,
जाएगा.
no. You get the unlimited one. I
I
have
didn't
that
know
only.
I already had it, but वो जो add-on होता है those for LTE. तो मैंने वो 5-6 खरीद के रख लिए कि वो मेरा खत्म होगा. But I'm seeing it's zero, अभी भी zero, अभी use ही नहीं हो रहा है. Then I realized कि I have unlimited data, which I guess is not unlimited. It's very
Yeah, you need
limited.
40 any day now, dude, any
you
day.
use 75 lakh TB in 3 seconds. What did you
Insane.
buy?
I don't even
What did
understand
you
how
get?
I'm still at a loss as to how this can happen.
It does not
Crazy.
make any
Yeah.
sense. Dude, 300.
Wait, when was this happening? Yours happened?
Mine
when?
happened
was-
beginning of the month.
2 months back.
Oh, yours was.
Yeah.
Mine
But this
happened
is
beginning of the
recent
month.
only. Yeah, mine is like my whatever, like the reset cycle was
Yeah.
gonna end in 10 days anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been
Oh,
reset.
I
Mine
think
has
with
a problem.
Antriksh, they must be like, sir, you're rich. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
So you
we'll
gotta-
fix this.
yeah.
So the
And
main-
yours, they were like, you live in. Oh, no, I forget.
You live in what?
Bandra, bro. Bandra is quite rich.
No,
No,
I
I
was
live in
gonna
Bandra.
say your exact
Oh,
building name. I don't know what mood I'm in today. I'm saying things that I shouldn't. Exact building name I was gonna say.
I was also waiting for it to reset because 26th को वो reset होता है, but Shreyas just cancelled it. Because I was
He
like,
cancelled altogether. कि नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, which is fair. We decided we'll do that, but we are also broke right now, so I can't afford to get a new connection immediately.
Hey,
I have
how
to wait
broke
till
are you?
end of the month.
Are you broke enough to buy a 10,000 rupee walk pad and a
Right
10,000
now in this moment,
rupee?
yes. But like by the time this episode comes out, not really. I'll have a new connection. I'll have a walking pad. Joshua will be paid. Everything will be done.
Nice.
But Joshua is still third. I love you, Joshua. You're the best.
God. Sorry, buddy.
Don't worry, Joshua. I'll get you his money.
Yeah,
Because,
for sure, bro.
no, I'll tell you exactly how. YouTube
messages-
money.
messages मेरे को आते हैं, पता है?
No. Listen,
Yeah.
I know how to have power over Hoshang. It's YouTube money.
YouTube.
I
Stop watching now.
just don't pay us. What's your product, dude?
Okay, dude. I
Yeah, dude.
I get these amazing products and you guys are always impressed. Like, thank you, right? So what I have today, does the word Girnar mean anything to you.
I've heard this name. Why do I
Is
know
it a
this name?
place?
No, it's not a place.
Girnar.
Then
I,
I have
no,
no
I was
clue.
I'm thinking of Garnier. Sorry.
Garnier.
Hey, do you mean Girnar shampoo? Girnar shampoo and
Do you
conditioner?
realize what it is?
Girnar. I've used Girnar before.
So this is something I use quite a lot. Okay. Basically, what it is tea instant mix.
What?
Instant tea mix. I
But you got
drink a lot
chai.
of tea. I drink a lot
That's
of
your
chai.
product. Your product is chai.
Yeah, I drink a
Is
lot
it
of chai.
all tea instant?
Yeah, it's instant tea premix.
But all teas are instant.
All teas are
No, ये bag नहीं है.
तो
This is powder with sugar mixed, masala mixed, everything.
तो tea powder
All you have to do is
तो होता है।
pour hot water into this.
I
Oh,
don't
acha,
have tea,
acha.
so
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't
Dude,
know.
so that's why I was saying I have this, okay, because this is the best
Oh, so
instant
this is like
premix.
a pre-mix. उसके अंदर
Yeah.
ginger, सारे
Sub,
spices,
sub.
everything is
And
there.
it tastes beautiful. It's addictive almost, okay, because it's so good.
I'm not a tea
tasting.
person though.
But does a real tea drinker, like people who
It's
love
great.
tea,
Dude,
they
every single tea drinker that I've
Yeah,
had drink
yeah,
this,
yeah.
they've loved it.
Really?
Okay?
I've
So-
never seen
and
Kenny drink this, dude. That's the only tea drinker
I
I,
think
know.
he stopped chai time. I think that's on him. But so I have this, and then I was like, so there must be other brands that also make
Yeah, of
like
course.
a premix, right? So
Yeah.
I found out that Society also makes. So I got
Society,
Society
oh,
also.
Society.
Society ka also premixes I got.
How much?
Where's their box?
I've
Okay.
never seen
No,
you
it-
drink
okay.
tea before. What are you
So
talking
we-
about?
Over here, we always call for coffee, man. And
Yeah.
it's like I drink coffee also.
Yeah.
But usually at home, I'm always a tea drinker.
Oh really?
And
I
it-
don't
so-
drink tea at all.
I also
So-
like I make very good chai, but
Yeah.
like मेरे घर पे like वैसे तो we make chai once in the morning and once in the evening, and most like then throughout the day if I'm working like if I have a meeting, so I'll quickly make this because
Yeah.
it takes like
Sorry.
literally 2 minutes it's ready.
This is a very nice sachet.
It is, yes, correct.
It's a very,
Yeah.
it's a good design. Look
Yeah,
at this.
yeah. This one's also
You
like,
want it now? You want this shiny new thing?
yeah. So, dude, if I'm working late at night, if I'm waking up early in the morning, and I
Yeah.
don't want to make chai.
Yeah.
This is the easiest thing. All I need is hot water, and I pour it onto this like into one cup, and it's the most beautiful chai ever.
I'll tell
dude.
you something easier.
Yeah.
Or
Go on Swiggy.
That's what I was gonna say.
But that's way more expensive again.
Yeah, you're
no,
rich.
but think of it.
Bro, but you see, anyone will tell you about like
Rich
or,
people?
no, about spending money and
Yeah.
like not wanting to waste money is buying caffeine outside, coffee or chai.
Yeah.
Is one of the biggest
It's
wastes
the
of money
most
ever.
wasteful thing ever.
Not really. I'll tell
What do
you
you?
why. I'll
yeah,
tell you
give me
why.
an excuse. Why? Yes.
No, I'll tell you why. Because you save time. And time,
Dude, that's
Time
what I'm
is
saying.
money.
Yes.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
Time is
This-
money बोलना
Time is
चाहिए
money.
था.
Yeah, that's like you.
Dude,
Time is
literally,
money.
literally, if we stop right now for 3 minutes,
Yeah.
in 3 minutes I can have a cup in each of your hand of this.
Yeah, and you know what can happen? If I order on Swiggy right now, we can continue doing the podcast. He will come.
Yeah,
we don't have
but
to
who
stop
wants that, dude?
at
Don't you want
all.
to see how this tastes? Don't you want to see how
No,
this
no,
tastes?
I'm okay with having tea. I'm fine with having tea. Yeah, let's have tea.
Okay,
Because
let's have tea, let's
imagine
have
the
tea.
rest of the podcast will like,
Yeah,
yeah, so I
Yeah,
really
bro.
think I
Yeah,
should.
bro. Exactly. That's a vibe,
But
man.
wait, do you need milk for this?
Nothing.
Milk
Just
is also
water.
in it.
That's what.
Oh,
you don't
That's
need
what's
milk
amazing.
also.
Oh, okay.
And it's milk chai. It's
Okay.
not like black
हाँ,
tea
वही
or
मैं
something.
बोलने वाला था.
It's proper milk
Black
masala
tea
chai.
I can have. Green tea I like.
Oh,
Honestly,
green tea
green
you
tea I like.
Oh, I like regular milk chai. Milk tea.
I like hojicha tea.
What the fuck is that?
It's a new Japanese. It's like the new matcha.
Lodi, how
Bhai,
are you
तू-
broke?
तू यही करते. No wonder he's broke. No, why
Yeah,
buying all
no
these
wonder
fucking?
he-
Yesterday I
Man.
tried this new thing called blue spirulina. Have you heard of it?
No.
Huh?
It's like I don't know what. It's like matcha only. It's like a new powder.
It's
and
blue?
It's blue. It looks so good, dude. I taste
Did you
whatever,
taste it?
but it looked so fucking.
But
yeah, I
who
tasted
cares
it.
what it looks like if it tastes bad?
Doesn't taste bad. It tastes like matcha. It's like blue matcha.
I hate matcha.
But it's blue and it's blue spirulina. It's called. It's. I mean, it looks nice and it's supposed to be. It has a lot of antioxidants. Dude, I heard a very funny joke recently. किसी का तो Sheng Wang है ना कोई Sheng Wang comedian है Sheng Wang.
Shenzhen.
Sheng Wang, that Asian guy with long hair. I'll put
Yeah,
it there.
anyway,
But he had a very good joke that I've been having a lot of antioxidants. I don't even know what oxidants are, but I know what I'm anti.
Antioxidant.
So yeah, blue spirulina has like the best antioxidants, and you mix it with collagen, and it's supposed to be very good for your gut.
Okay.
You can have Yakult
My
also.
rich friends introduced me to it.
Nice. Now who's saying it? Now
I'm
who's saying it?
sure-
No, I said it because of
yeah,
the
of
joke.
course, I'll
No,
joke.
but I'm sure there's a very cheap alternative to blue spirulina. that does the same
I'm
thing.
sure antioxidant. You just get like any antioxidant.
I don't know what is an
What does
antioxidant.
what is an antioxidant? What is
you said it like you knew what
I
it
think a
was. I
cloth-
knew. I didn't.
I think a
You
cloth
also-
over your face is antioxidant.
Let's see what antioxidant is.
Okay, you guys check. I'll quickly go make chai for you.
Vataj.
Yeah, society.
Society.
Sorry, by the way, I didn't even take a sip. I wanted to say Vataj. So bad.
I want to play tabla. R.I.P. Zakir Hussain.
What was that?
Yeah, I don't
Man, it's not a
Stop.
taste I'm used to.
I-
So
I know. Okay, so I've had enough chai in my life. It's decent. It's just that human touch is missing. It's like AI of chais, I feel.
Well, it is a mean, like average of what
No,
chai should be. I
but
think
the thing is,
somewhere.
the way you set up this chai.
Oh, it's very good chai. I don't know. What
it's
you're talking
nice.
Cheers.
About. Yeah, try this. No,
Oh,
if you want,
I
if
thought
you
you
want to try
wanted
the
to
society
cheers.
one, this is the society one. That what you have is the Girnar one.
What are you saying? This is nice. I don't even like tea, but this is nice.
Because I haven't had enough tea. I grew up in Jaipur, dude. Like chai was.
So I have tea every day. This is not bad.
He
tea.
also has tea every day. He
Yeah.
got this product. I'm sure he has tea.
Ah,
That's what this
Society one is
definitely
worse.
terrible.
The packaging was very good though.
Yeah, packaging
Society
was
wala.
cute.
That's how they get you, man.
Yeah.
Don't you know about enough from Yonex?
Or maybe I'm just
Onyx
spoiled.
is a good company.
Yeah, I know, that's-
I'm just spoiled with chai because Ranjit Bhaiya makes fucking incredible chai.
I mean,
dude.
see, I'm not saying it's gonna replace all human-made
Humans.
chai.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
said
no,
that
it's
like-
not, yeah.
You sound like an AI sympathizer, dude. Oh.
I'm not gonna say it's gonna replace all the chai makers of India.
He's gonna
That
fire
this
Ranjit
thing-
Bhaiya.
Yeah.
He's gonna
Imagine
fire-
Girnar becomes the next Prime Minister of India.
He's gonna fire Ranjit Bhaiya, dude. You're gonna. Oh no, jobs are going.
yeah.
Bro.
By the way, sorry. Just for context, we're having chai.
Yes.
It's 12 in the night.
Yeah, it is done right. I didn't even think of the time when I was making the chai.
By the way, right before chai.
You had coffee?
coffee.
Wow. Nice,
We
guys.
had Coke Zero. We're insane. What are we doing, dude? But yeah, it's 12 in the
Everything
night.
for you
12
guys.
in the night we're having
We
chai.
are-
Or
yeah.
a very, very average chai. I'm sorry. And I know you were
But
very
see,
excited
by
about
the way,
this.
no.
It's-
Listen, this is
Yeah.
about the convenience. Like you
Yeah,
go.
bro.
For the convenience?
Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
It is
Arey,
for
what do you
convenience.
think? Instant coffee is not for the rich ki, oh man.
So, I'll tell you where it was very
zero
useful,
carbs.
That's
okay?
true. That's true.
Kirti and I on a honeymoon went to Italy. वहाँ पे चाय हम क्या डब्बे
Exactly, when you're traveling,
yeah, we
this
don't take
is-
like bags and all
Yeah.
the tea bags because then
Yeah.
you need milk powder or something.
Yeah.
This everything is there. So every night before just
I
while watching
guess.
TV or something just before turning in for the
But
night.
sorry,
we take
I'd just
Girnar.
like to say,
I mean we can drink wine. Yes, you're right.
wine. Who the
I
fuck
don't
is
think he
talking
was
about
thinking
wine?
about that
in
all.
Italy,
I was
you're getting
talk-
wine.
No, coffee.
Yeah.
Italy
I mean,
we
makes
had
the
enough
best
coffee.
coffees.
We did have enough coffee
You
also.
go to Italy, you're
But
like,
at night,
you acted like every Indian fucking.
Yeah,
table.
थेपला
bro.
भी लेके गया था क्या साले साथ में?
bro, मैं चकली ले गया चकली.
I mean, you weren't moving there. You're going there for a few days. Fuck chai, dude. Have their coffee.
I mean, I was there for 2 weeks. बीच में चाय का मन किया bro.
You are an uncle,
Disgusting
dude.
behavior,
Bro,
dude.
chai,
क्या
man. What are you
बनियान में
talking
बाहर घूम रहा था
Haven't
क्या
you heard
तू?
of chai tea? Chai tea.
तू
It's
बनियान
all.
में-
It's Europe, man. Chai tea is Europe.
Shit,
Chai
dude.
latte.
Yeah,
I,
dude, that's
नहीं,
all
I
Europe.
get it. Europe food in general really gets to your nerves after a
Yeah.
few days because you're like, this is
100%.
fucking fuck all, dude. What the fuck,
Dude,
man?
So
But
we
not
had
in Italy. I'm
No,
sure.
no,
Dude, so the thing
dude,
is, Italy also
all
because
of it-
we had amazing pastas and pizzas almost
Yeah,
every day. Okay?
yeah. But how much can you have that
But
also?
उतना भी मन करता है. Like so, we ended up at a Bangladeshi restaurant which
Same.
close to Indian cuisine, and then we ended up at a
No,
Cuban
that's
Same.
Yeah,
restaurant.
I've
Indian
also
restaurant,
gone
twice
to
over
an
here.
Indian restaurant because after a while you're like, man, their food is a little bland.
Yeah.
It is
Our
bland,
palate,
bro.
कुछ
our
भी करके
palate
बोल.
is like very
उनके-
different.
उनके
Yeah,
chili
they're
flakes में
spoiled,
chili
they're
नहीं होते होंगे.
spoiled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too bland, man. We need like I get it. I get why you needed
Yeah.
masala chai and all, but
Yeah.
they have the
No.
best coffees is all I'm saying. I'm a
I mean-
coffee person, so I would never think of getting a masala
ever.
chai.
I've never thought
Fair-
of getting a chai
fair
unless
enough,
I'm
man.
sick. If I'm sick, I get a lot of chai with like ginger and everything.
I only get chai if at a shoot they're like chai. I'm like, okay, that's it.
Oh yes, on shoots I drink insane
Yeah.
amount of chai because
it-
I'm also smoking that much, so I want
Yeah,
to drink
yeah,
something when I'm smoking
yeah.
cigarettes.
Fair enough.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
But with actors, they still give you what you want, so it's still
Oh
fine. Yeah.
When I went for my like one of the reality show shoots, I was there for a month. For first couple of days, I had chai, and then I made friends with the spot boys there. Okay, and then you just text them whatever you want. I told them कि Diet Coke मिलेगा क्या? I woke up the next day, there was a carton of Diet Coke
What?
outside my
Yeah,
room.
dude, it's
Wow.
very carton is a lot.
Carton. Because I was also there for like for 30 days.
But you know how easy it is if you go for acting. I'm not
Yeah.
an actor,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
जब भी मिलता है तो I
No.
do ये. You know how easy it is to impress those people, whoever like AD, director जो भी हो. Just be normal.
I
Be
know.
nice.
And they're like, you're easy to work with. I'm like, dude, how tough are those people to work with? I'm just
Dude,
normal.
there are horror
Correct.
stories
Yeah,
of how
for
people
sure.
behave. Now you'll change, dude. Now that you have 100K followers.
Yeah, bro, अब तो क्या?
Now
My-
I'll be like, hey, hi, go. They'll be like, hey, hi, you're Govind. I'll be like, fucking.
Where's my blue spirulina?
I'll be like, it's Dr. Govind for you. Hey,
Dr.
why
Govind,
doctor? I have 100K. Isn't that what happens at 100K? I have a PhD.
You have a PhD in Instagram.
So I've also so Kirti has also introduced, my wife has introduced me to a new coffee making process,
Process?
recipe,
Yeah.
whatever you call it. Okay, which involves you can take any coffee grain. We
Okay.
take Davidoff coffee,
It's like instant coffee.
Instant coffee.
instant coffee.
Yeah.
Put that into a cup, of course. Add a little bit of honey syrup.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, no, a little bit of not honey.
Vanilla syrup or whatever.
What is? Give me other options.
Essence? Hazelnut?
Hazelnut,
Yeah.
hazelnut, a little bit of hazelnut syrup, a little bit of date.
I was gonna say
Syrup.
replace hazelnut with date. It's incredible.
So both.
Yeah.
Hazelnut gives you that hazelnutty taste.
Yeah.
That's,
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
that
yeah.
smell. That is really
Oh,
nice.
that's so good,
Right?
yeah.
That Tuscan does very well. That
Yeah,
we talked about
yeah,
Tuscan,
yeah.
right? Tuscan does that very, very well. That we got the idea from that only. So the hazelnut, a little bit of date syrup, a little bit of coconut jaggery.
Okay.
Okay. Then you add a little bit of hot water, just enough to whisk it together. We have a whisker
Yeah, yeah,
now.
frother.
Yeah, the frother. Just froth it together
Yeah.
till the jhag comes. Then add milk. Fucking enjoy your cold coffee or hot coffee, whatever you want it. You can, if you want
good.
cold,
Dude, if
have
you
it.
can, if you just add
Great.
real coffee in this, it
Exactly.
tastes so much better.
Exactly.
Davidoff
Add real
is-
coffee.
I mean, it's instant, na still. Like
Oh,
if you properly
fair.
brew
Add
it.
real
I like,
coffee
I like,
to
I like
Oh.
fast things, man.
No, this
Yeah.
is pretty fast,
Yeah.
dude. Like you can get ground coffee.
Okay.
I mean, I grind my own coffee, which is a process
Yeah.
you don't need to go through
Yeah.
at all. But I just like the act of just karne mein. But anyway, do that. It takes like 3 minutes once you figured out how to make
Yeah.
coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It takes 3 minutes. It depends on how you're making it. Aeropress
Or
or
just get a
mocha.
coffee machine, dude. It's, you just have to do
Dude,
nothing.
yeah.
That's my next purchase. I want a good espresso machine, like
Can I
espresso.
tell you something?
Yeah.
You bought one?
No, not
Oh,
me.
I think you're buying one?
No,
Navkar bought one.
Navkar and Tanvi are getting a coffee machine. It's,
And their old one they're going to give to you?
they don't have an old one. This is
Oh.
will be the
Oh,
first
okay.
one,
Yeah.
and it's the DeLonghi Maestro
fucking hell.
Opera. So it's a fully automatic coffee machine. It's bean to cup, so it has an inbuilt grinder.
Oh
it has
my
an inbuilt
God.
grind setting. It has an
Oh.
inbuilt cold brew maker. It's the only coffee machine in the world which can do instant cold brew.
How the fuck is it doing instant cold brew?
There's some cooling technology
Cooling, yeah.
in
कुछ
it.
तो रहेगा.
Because it takes 24 hours.
Exactly.
So, yeah,
So
no,
it
there are
gives
instant.
you the extract of cold brew.
Yeah, it has to be
That-
because cold
Yeah, no,
brew.
you have to still keep it
you have to
overnight.
actually keep it
but
for
you,
24
you,
hours.
you have to just press a button. It gives you the extract. You just keep it in the fridge there.
Dude, yeah, there are these instant ice cream makers. And all, and
Oh yeah,
all.
Ninja.
And Mr. Who's the boss?
Mr. Who's the boss? I've
Mr.
watched
House.
that. I've watched that episode.
Bro,
No, but sorry.
I've never felt worse.
Yeah, bro.
Because his name is Arun Maini.
Yeah, you told us, you
No,
told us.
motherfucker. Is there a connection? Are we related? Please tell me.
Dude, how much is this coffee machine for?
90,000.
That's actually not bad
Not
at
bad
all.
at all. Yeah. It's on discount right now.
Dude, what the fuck? I didn't expect 90,000 because
90,000. And
90,000 is cheap
It's actually
for
not
bean to cup. No,
Look
it
at
is
this
cheap.
guy, dude.
No, dude, listen. When you look at coffee machines
Yeah.
in general,
Yeah, no, I know what you
and
mean. Like
I
in the
meant
grand
for
scheme of
coffee
things, it's cheaper.
machines,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
for me. I meant
but-
for coffee machines, it's cheap.
Yeah.
After this machine, it's then like cafe grade machines. Like once you get a cafe.
That's what I'm saying.
After this, like this is the best you can get for a home
Acha, for
machine.
home.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because usually cafe wafe wale, it's 3 lakh, 5 lakh
Yeah,
something.
yeah,
that
yeah.
it
Cafe
costs-
wale, cafe wale.
It costs a
Ghar ke liye
lot,
to
lot,
bhai,
dude.
You don't need anything. It automatically weighs it. Well,
Wow.
You just put the portafilter inside the
weighing
grinder.
is literally 10
no,
seconds.
I'm saying you don't need those extra
Yeah.
equipments.
You don't do
Everything is
anything
in
basically.
it.
You'll do everything.
No. I wouldn't like that because I like the process of
Yeah,
making
I
it.
got so excited when she told me.
I'm coming there. Why?
I know.
सुबह उठ के
Every
I'd be
7 a.m. in the
like,
morning, guys.
Going to Worli.
I'll
Guys,
just
why
have
aren't you
my
up yet?
morning.
I need my coffee.
I'll be like, I'll just have my morning coffee in Worli, come back to Kandivali. I'll just be back.
I was there yesterday and I wanted to have coffee and they used the Zenma coffee, the pods.
Yeah.
जो तुम heat कर सकते हो. And she was
I like those.
She was like, this is the last time you're having. And I'm like, what? You're quitting coffee? She's like, no, what? No,
But those
very
Zenma
much.
ones are nice.
No, those are very
You know,
good.
so in all of this, what I've understood is the problem is that Hoshang has rich friends, that's fine. But they keep buying new things. That's why I just keep talking about them.
And
Oh,
And
yeah,
bring
of
them
course.
again and again and again.
But
Because
also
they keep
me,
buying amazing
those
new
are the
things.
only people I meet outside of you guys. Like those
Oh,
are the
okay.
only people I talk to.
you
There
make
are-
your
there are
meet
other
your
problems to
micro
unpack
theatre
there.
people.
No,
like,
but
you
that's
meet-
like once a few months. Like those are the
Okay.
people I meet every week without fail because we are
Man, I
just
can't
very
believe
good
I'm
friends.
having this much chai, dude.
Yeah, dude, Ranjit Bhai would hate this chai just because he makes proper
I
chai.
mean, yeah, it's not gonna replace
Hoshang,
humans.
Yeah.
I don't think you're understanding the
Instant-
purpose of
No, I
this.
understand the purpose. It's not good taste, dude. I don't like it.
It's not
You
terrible.
don't
I know
understand
why-
the
I don't know why
purpose of
it's
this,
just
dude.
against
Nah,
it.
again, I'm just spoiled. I'm
Hoshang,
just spoiled.
Hoshang, imagine you're in Italy.
Why don't you imagine that, dude? Imagine your rich friends paid for a ticket to Italy.
You know what you should do when your rich friends.
You don't know them, dude. You hang out with them. What are you talking about?
It's just fun to say it.
Yeah.
No, imagine Navkar and Tanvi
Yeah.
are they got the machine and they're like, look at this insane machine.
Yeah.
You should take that society one. Be like, look at what I got.
Guys.
No, you should be like, this is what I'm having. I'm sorry
Yeah.
for your.
Oh, you should sell it as extra premium.
No,
More
I'd be
premium
like,
than
hey,
that
can I
shit.
take the Zenma pods?
No, but honestly, Zenma pods are good.
Those
If you
very
guys
good. Yeah,
haven't,
those are actually very good.
If you haven't had it, get Zenma.
Yeah.
Matlab, it's something you freeze. It's frozen espresso shots, and you just put it in whatever your mug or whatever.
Yeah.
And you microwave it, and then it's just an espresso
It's just a frozen
shot.
espresso shot. Yeah,
It's
it's,
very
perfect.
good.
It's good. It's like the
It's-
taste is very
yeah, the
good.
taste is very good,
Like
dude.
it really holds the flavor
Yeah.
properly, even if it's frozen and all.
I
That's
make
good.
like ice lattes with that. It's better than the Aeropress coffees I make. dude.
And it's
Yeah.
also super. It's like your this Garnier only. You just melt
Garnier?
Sorry, क्या है? Girnar.
Girnar,
Yeah. You
Garnier.
just melt the pod and you put milk in it and it's done. That's all you need to do.
Yeah.
So, talking about your AeroPress coffee is a great way to get into my wish list item for today, which is, have you heard of Aeroband Air drumsticks?
We have talked about this.
Yeah, I think
We've
I
talked about
have.
this?
I have.
Oh, you talked about this?
Because this is something I wanted to get.
Oh, bro.
I know, I'm very close to getting it. Thank you for reminding me. This is something.
Oh, that's awesome.
You can connect it to a speaker and everything.
Yeah.
Like it's Bluetooth. Yeah, I know this.
It's, dude, I've been, because again, Bombay house. Why are you getting that? Your house is big.
Yeah, just get a regular drum kit, dude.
I mean, I don't know how to play drums.
Get
I
a
wanna
drum
fucking
kit. Get an
fuck
electric
around,
drum
man.
kit.
Electric drum kit. What is an
That's
electric
what
drum
I've when I used to work at Weird Ass Veerdas's thing.
Yeah.
He had an electric drum kit. I learned one song, Back in Black, AC/DC. No, two songs, Zombie, Cranberries, Back in Black also. And like it's electric one is like it takes up lesser space. Takes up way less space than
Oh,
a
it's like
drum
those
kit.
those black panels. Is that
Yeah,
one not?
yeah,
Oh,
that
got
one,
it,
that
got
one, that one. And it's good, dude. Obviously, it's not like a real drum kit, but
Got it,
like
got it.
it's good. The problem with the sticks, just the stick wala one,
it. They're for
whatever.
beginners, right?
No, so the problem with that I think I'll have is I'm not used to a drum
Visualizing.
kit at
Oh.
visualizing a drum kit because I've not
No, but
played
you'll
drums
be
that
able to
much.
hear it. You'll be able to hear it.
I
now
know,
when you
but I'm
play-
saying I'd rather have a real drum kit with me for a while. He's having fucking rusk. What the fuck?
This guy, dude. What is? I thought you didn't like the chai. This guy's fucking duboing his rusk inside. and
This
shit.
looks like it's a nice evening
Yeah. What
podcast.
is this?
भाई लोग सो गए हैं ये टाइम तक ऑफिस के लिए सो गए हैं लोग यार
Rusk खा रहे हैं भाई.
नहीं coming back to this I'm saying because I'm not used to a drum kit I won't like sure I'll know what this sounds like but I'd rather
Yeah.
have a drum kit
Yeah,
first
that I get.
and practice with that and know what to expect where and then have the drumstick
Yeah,
one.
I don't
Fair.
care. I want to skip all that. I just want that fucking. In the
About the
end.
rhythm,
Yeah,
the musical notes,
Yeah, I
none
don't
of
give a
that.
shit. What about learn music all night?
But I think this is the best option for me too man I don't have space to have
But
a
you can't
fucking
learn drums on that. This is just like it's a novelty. You can just have fun with it.
No,
Like,
no, but you
bah,
can learn drums.
If you have certain amount of skill, you can actually make music from it. It's proper. Like, it sounds like drums.
It's proper.
basically.
It's proper.
It sounds basically
much
like
is it?
drums.
15K?
10 is what I think
Okay.
10, 12, something like that. Yeah.
I saw
Not
one
कुछ
for
सस्ता हो
15.
गया
Yeah,
है
yeah.
आजकल.
Maybe I'm wrong. But yeah,
तू
this
तेरा
was-
walking pad ले भाई मैं मेरा drumstick लेता हूँ. कड़ 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 कड़.
हाँ.
No, because I've been wanting to learn drums because guitar is something I've been learning since I was 15 and I still suck at
Right.
it. So I need a new instrument to start from
fair.
start from scratch.
Yeah.
And I think that's drums.
Drums, yeah.
But
Drums also you can like just really bash.
No, no,
and
no,
you're like,
it's
oh, I was
really-
just experimenting.
No,
I-
drums actually is tougher.
Dude, yeah, yeah.
Because
You gotta
you
be-
have to the beat
the rhythm.
You
Yeah.
are
You
the
decide the
guy.
rhythm, yeah.
You decide the rhythm. So
the
that's pretty
808s,
tough.
bro. The 808s. That's all I know. They have the 808s.
No idea what is that.
I've heard it, but I also don't know.
No idea what that
It's
is.
kind of a beat. It's kind of like a drum
Yeah.
thing. Kanye does it a lot. 808.
Garnier?
Kanye.
Oh, I thought Garnier
808 and
again.
Heartbreak, bhai.
Girina. Hey, what is this called?
Girnar.
Girnar.
Girnar Instant Masala.
I'm sorry, it's a
Premix.
pretty forgettable name.
Yeah.
The name is not premium. Society is quite a more,
Society
more
is,
premium
yeah.
name. Yes.
Yeah.
Now Chayos also has their own premix, which I hate
acha,
Chayos.
this is like a thing now.
Now people have, yeah.
No,
But this is the
Chayos-
first one I found out about.
Chayos ka chai is good. What? I'm not a chai
I hate
drinker.
Chayos side. You know, my family used to have a franchisee of Chayos. My brother, before the
What?
pandemic, he had taken 2 franchisee outlets of Chayos, one in Thane and one in
You used
Versova.
to do shows also
Yeah.
at Chayo somewhere, no?
Yeah, so that was
Yeah,
one of the-
Hiranandani.
this one.
That was
Yeah.
yours?
Hiranandani,
Yeah.
yeah.
What?
Hiranandani Thane.
Yeah, I know.
So we had taken franchise. We didn't own that Chayos. It was a franchise we had taken. And
Wait,
then
that
we
was
sold it.
yours only?
We had sold it. Then during the pandemic, there was a buyback this thing because everyone was like,
Wait, when did
everything
you
was
own
going in
that
loss.
Chayos? When did you own that franchisee?
From 2017 to 2020.
So when you used to do
2021.
shows
It was-
near-
yeah, I owned that.
What the fuck? That was your... So Antriksh
I don't think you ever mentioned that.
So for
Did it?
anyone... Wait.
I don't
For
know.
anyone who doesn't know, which is all of you.
Yeah. It'd be
Antriksh-
crazy if you knew,
Yeah,
actually.
that'd be weird. Antriksh used to do shows. Okay,
He used to
stand-up
Like
shows.
produce
host
shows,
open mics
yeah, yeah.
there.
Host open mics at a Chayos in Hiranandani Estate, Thane.
Yeah.
Okay, if you've been
Great
there, you
shows.
know with Chayos.
A lot of
Now,
people.
this was the owner. Also, that is it.
Yeah.
That's why you
Dude,
got
so
it.
the thing is-
dude.
so-
Okay, sorry.
Nah, bol.
I'm sorry. You gotta give me time.
Yeah,
you can't
yeah.
just.
No problem,
you're just telling me you owned that Chayos. That
Co-owned.
franch-
Co-owned. that
Arey,
Chayos.
fuck off your family.
Franchisee, no. It's a
Ah,
franchisee.
but it's your.
But
dude.
that particular franchisee was yours, na?
Yeah, that
But
particular
it's not
one.
like I can go and do whatever I want. It's run by Chayos people.
Arey, I know, Baba.
But the
It's-
profits are coming to you, no?
Parts of the profits
हाँ,
are coming to
but
us.
dude, shut up. I've
I
never
don't know what you're
been a
talking about.
co-owner of Chayos also, man. You're saying it like it's nothing. Where
It's the
was the
first time he's
other?
having chai.
Yeah, where was the other one?
Yari Road Versova.
Damn, dude, fucking hell.
Then why are we doing it in Thane and not Versova, the shows?
Oh, the Versova one is too small.
Oh.
Or at least
Dude,
it used to be. I don't
so
know why. whatever.
was your conversation like, yeah, I want to start my own room. Where do I start? How about my Chayos?
So that
my own Chayos.
Wait, did you think of starting doing the shows first or you got the chayos first?
So the thing is, I got the Chayos first.
Okay.
And then I started doing stand up.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was like, oh, this works out. No, I don't know that.
Oh, I'm rich.
I guess it works out.
Yeah, you know, that is the natural progression when
Yeah.
you get a chayo. You start stand up.
But the thing is, like, see, I first asked them, obviously, for give me Sunday. And they're like, fuck, you're mad or Sunday we make so much money. Are you crazy?
Yeah,
Yeah, dude.
money
Who
for
are you
me.
asking? Yourself?
So I
Chayos.
Again, Chayos, no, they have to still give me
Arey, of
permission.
course,
Like,
it's
again,
still
it's a
Chayos,
franchisee.
dude.
I can't. I don't.
Wait, the place is not called Antriksh. It's
Yeah.
called Chayos. So,
No, but
Yeah.
wait, so you can't just do whatever you want at the chayos?
No,
of course not,
it's-
dude.
Their
What if
operations
you
is
start
their
selling
operations.
coffee? Just eliminate chai completely.
Coffeeos.
I can say this
The
outlet.
only
of
chayos
is
in
called
Bombay that
Coffeeos.
sells coffee.
Yeah. Then you
So
asked
I
them.
asked a Sunday. So then they were like, no, we can't give Sunday. We already
Did he
do a
say,
lot of
do you
business."
know who the fuck I am?
Yeah, I mean, it was implied. They knew who the fuck I was. It never really worked. Also, the thing is, like, the owner was my brother. You get what I mean? I personally am not the owner, dude. My brother is
So
the
we
guy who calls the
but
shots.
that's the brother to start shows.
No, I had to have like proper meetings with the
Who,
management
with
of Chayos.
Mr. Chayos?
Mr. Chayos.
Who's
Yeah, yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Chayos?
Correct, Mr. Chayos.
Rahul Chayos. just a guy whose last name is
Kind
Chayos.
of like meetings, like, oh, this is the way I want to do it. It'll be this part of the show.
Sorry,
or
can
put
I
this
ask
part
one
of the
thing? Can I ask
room.
one thing?
Yeah.
If when you go to meet Mr. Chayos, when you enter his house, does he say "Welcome to Mr. Chayos"?
No, but they do say, welcome to Chayos.
I know.
Oh, you do know that.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
okay.
why.
I also have been to Chayos.
Oh,
It's
I
not-
thought-
Like when you go
actually
to his
forgot
house, when you go to Mr.
I've never, been
Chayos'
to,
house.
I've never been to. Actually, my brother's house, no, we don't say that.
Dude, but Man, you
That's
never told me
insane.
you
Yeah,
own two
yeah.
Chayoses.
मतलब we
Is
owned
that the plural of Chayos? Chayoses?
Chai
Yeah, yeah.
Chai
Chai. But did you guys own any other franchises?
No
Looks like-
man. Like so, my brother
Just
before
two
that.
random Chayos.
Yeah, how
So
did you
before
land
that,
up
my
on
brother
Chayos?
had a food truck for a while. He was trying like very thing in the food business. He worked for Zomato.
But
for a
then he
bit.
realized, hey, I'm rich. I can just buy Chayos ke franchisee.
We all have entrepreneurial.
Man, y'all
dreams.
really like chai, huh? I didn't realize how much you into chai
What
you
food
were.
truck was this?
So this was a food truck. I mean, it was I think it was called the Nomad Food Truck, and he used to sell like sandwiches and just like these quick
Where was
fast food.
this?
This was he used to stand in Navi Mumbai. They had like a whole lot.
Navi Mumbai.
where
Before the
multiple places were.
airport?
Before the airport?
I
Yeah,
don't know.
much
That's
before
all
the
I
airport, yes.
know about Navi
Much,
Mumbai
much
right
before the
now.
airport.
Right
Okay,
now,
yeah,
oh, okay.
airport. Like that's all
Much before the
anyone
airport.
talks about.
He used to sell like sandwiches, pastas, you know, the regular
Got it.
like American food
Yeah.
truck culture.
Is your
Hot dogs.
brother a good chef?
No,
or-
no. He was a businessman.
Okay.
Like he hired people to
Yeah,
make the food
people.
for him.
Okay,
He,
okay,
he,
okay.
he got then they hired like a restaurant building, no, not a building, like a developing company that designs your menus, your like your what your food truck will look like,
Yeah,
what your
yeah.
food, how your food will be presented, all of that.
How
You get
did
chefs.
that do? How did the food truck business
It did all
do?
right. Then so dude, so the thing is like food truck laws in Bombay
Yeah.
are very fucking dicey.
Yeah.
Okay, so like any cop, it's mood के ऊपर है. Any cop can come and harass you and fucking ask for fucking हफ्ता.
Yeah,
यहाँ पे
yeah.
तो allowed नहीं है. आपको permission किसने दिया? So you can't do anything. So then he got for like a little while they got a deal to stand in the compound of a business park.
Ooh,
Like
nice.
somewhere
That's
there.
a good.
Yeah, that's pretty great.
Yeah.
So I think then after that, then they had the problems there. Also, I'm forgetting right now what problems they had there. So then that got discontinued. So then they stopped. They sold off the truck, and then like a year after that, then he was like, I have an in for Chayos.
Both Chayos are not yours now.
No, yeah, we sold it back to them. Yes,
Oh man.
Yeah.
How- oh, fuck.
but dude, like Chayos is not good chai. Let me just be honest.
It's your fault.
Yeah, I couldn't
ruined
make it
Chayos.
better.
You're not a random
Yeah.
person saying it. Your Chayos.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah,
Why
but,
is the chai fuck all?
But
You tell
honestly,
us.
Chayos chai is better than this, right?
Hey, but that's
yeah,
instant coffee.
but that's,
chai.
that's a whole company.
Yeah,
that
okay,
they
it's like
fucking-
cafe coffee day of
Like
chai,
Starbucks.
right?
No,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
yeah,
like
it's like
Starbucks,
Starbucks
or
for
yeah,
chai.
Starbucks
Yeah.
for
I
chai.
think Starbucks is a good example.
Starbucks for chai.
Dude, yeah,
Starbucks
so
for chai.
Part of the, by the way, part of the Chayos ka growth strategy was wherever Starbucks opens, we'll open
Baaju
right
mein,
next to them
chai.
or right opposite them.
Oh.
Yeah,
All
makes
the way.
sense.
Every single place.
Makes
You
sense.
Notice,
Yeah.
जहाँ स्टारबक्स दिखा तेरे को तो
Yeah.
आसपास कहीं चाय दिख जाएगा.
नहीं ठाकुर विलेज में तो नहीं है यू नो मेरे वाह मैं पूरा एड्रेस बता रहा हूँ
बता दे नहीं बता
बहुत
पूरा
बार
नाम
बोला
बता.
ठाकुर विलेज
हाँ बोल
भाई,
चुका हूँ ना हाँ
yeah.
फक इट नहीं ठाकुर विलेज में देयर इज अ स्टारबक्स मेरे घर के बाजू में एंड यू नो व्हाट्स क्लोज बाय टू द स्टारबक्स
Yeah.
It's another Starbucks. I don't know why they've opened two Starbucks near
Oh,
my. It's two Starbucks.
Dude.
Like there's a Starbucks.
Is one smaller than the other or both are big?
No, both are nice only.
What?
Like there's a Starbucks, take a, and then you go straight, you take a right, and then left me there's another Starbucks. I don't know why.
Do you get confused sometimes? कि Did I just come back to
no,
where I was?
no, I was out on a run,
Huh.
so I run Pura Thakur Village. I run,
Yeah.
and I saw the Starbucks. I didn't know there was another new
Oh, yeah.
Starbucks. I know that one Starbucks.
Yeah.
I saw it. मैं भाग रहा था. Then I said, wait, what the fuck? Is
Did I
this
just take a
another
whole circle?
Starbucks?
I didn't
How
realize.
slowly am I running?
Yeah.
Am I the Flash and I just did a whole circle of the earth?
कोई है? Did I reach? Is this an alternate
Yeah.
reality where the
Oh,
Starbucks is 300 meters to that side?
Did I run through a portal or something?
Yeah,
Dude,
dude.
I was such a loser growing up when they opened the first Starbucks in Delhi
You
and I was
waited
in
in line?
Jaipur. No, not even waited in line. Waited in line, so I've waited for Dunkin' Donuts in line. That's separate. But when they opened in Jaipur, but there was no Starbucks in Jaipur for the longest time. So me and my friend, when we were in school, and when the Starbucks opened in Delhi, we drove to Delhi to have Java chai.
What the wow, dude.
But it's what, like 3 hours?
It took like 4.5 hours.
Oh
yeah.
my god!
Just for one fucking.
for-
You know, I
Just
don't
for
know.
a- for a story.
Yeah.
I don't know
For a
if
venti.
I don't know if you've seen those reels. अरे यार, have you seen those reels
Which
of
ones?
guys getting a Starbucks coffee for कुछ तो नाम बोलते हैं, and then he gets it, and then there's a Marathi song that plays behind.
No, I haven't seen those.
Oh, dude, I'll find one of
What
those
is
reels.
that?
I'll find one of the wait. I'll find it right now. 1 second.
Okay. यहाँ देखा ना
Oh wait,
यहाँ पे देखा ना यहाँ पे
wait,
देखा
wait.
ना?
I'll show you. I'll show you.
Okay.
Wait. This was you. This is the song.
Dude,
Starbucks.
this was 100% me.
सही तो है? ओह अच्छा. What? This is a template or something?
Yeah, this is the whole thing.
What? What is happening?
It's just, cool boys getting cool coffee, dude. I don't know what's the issue in
you,
that.
bro,
I don't know what the
This
issue
is
is.
Ashaq.
This was
Starbucks coffee चा है पहला
This
shock.
was me in Gurgaon.
Those guys drove from Vasai Virar to Bandra.
But what
There's a song, dude. That whole
Yeah,
song
yeah.
is Starbucks
What's
coffee.
weird is I skipped tuition.
to go to the
Starbucks
Starbucks.
coffee.
Dude, okay. Now, fuck. I wish there was a Starbucks cup here.
Yeah.
Just do this. Can we edit a Starbucks cup here
100%.
and then that song while he's standing? Okay, done.
Done.
Done. What the fuck? Why was it sexual?
That's
Oh, why was it you?
Just walking slow.
Starbucks का pizza है तेरा शौक. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
tuning in, guys.
Fun episode,
This was a fun episode.
Fun episode, terrible chai.
Arey yaar, why are you
Sorry,
waiting
sorry.
on
Shitting
this
on my chai, dude.
Dude,
I
you're
made it my own
talking.
demands.
You're talking to the owner
What
of
up, Chayos?
Chayos.
What the fuck? How dare you? अब मैं तेरे बाजू वाला Starbucks खरीदता हूँ.
I mean, Laude, we've been doing Spendabender for so long.
You
You've
never
never
brought
told
this
us. And also, fuck Spendabender. I've known you for so long.
So, I'm being completely honest. I usually don't like to tell people that my family is well off because they think of me differently.
We know.
This came out galti se. I would have told you guys that I want
Antariksh,
chayos.
we
Dude.
know you.
I know, but it just.
Yeah,
I don't
fair,
know you
fair,
in the
fair.
sense
You
we
know-
know how well off to do you are.
I get it.
I
You
mean,
know,
it's
you know
not
how I
mine.
get it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the thing,
of course,
You know
course.
how I get it? I don't like saying that I have 100k followers.
Yeah, dude, you get it. You get out me, dude. Yeah.
I just wanted
Dude,
to
we
say.
collectively owned chayos at one point. What are you worried about, dude?
Yeah,
It's all
we
good.
all
Yeah,
own
we all
Chayos.
own,
It's a team effort.
Okay, but thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe as we
Please.
mentioned in the beginning. This is half. This is gonna be. If you guys don't
Yeah.
subscribe, this will be the whole podcast.
Yeah.
1 hour will be like, have you subscribed? Have you subscribed yet?
Aren't you
But
tired of this Antariksh's
Third
face
episode,
again?
no frame on us. No frame,
Actually,
only one frame.
no. After that, just a black screen, just a voice be like, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please
For 1 hour.
subscribe.
For 1 hour.
Okay, subscribe and tell us. Hey, by the way. We still have that subreddit, okay? That's Spendabender.
Yeah,
Please make it
yeah.
active. Come on, yeah.
Yeah.
There was one guy who was like, who put something.
Did anyone try to put anything
Some guy put something.
Yeah.
No one replied. After we mentioned it here,
Yeah.
2-3 more people came, replied to that, and the first guy was like, "Oh yeah, no one replied, so I stopped giving a fuck." So please do it, please, man. This is embarrassing for us now, dude. One
Very-
guy's
very
trying.
close-knit
But I do
community.
feel we're giving them a lot to do. Start with subscribing. We'll get to subreddit. Just subscribe first. Not too much
Subscribe.
pressure.
Fair,
just a little bit. Yeah.
fair.
yeah.
Subscribe for now.
Subscribe
It's
and hit that
actually
like.
not a lot to do. Just
And hit that like
subscribe.
also. And hype the video.
Hype the video. Okay, Reddit बाद में देख
Do
लेंगे.
our
जाना
taxes
जाओ.
also.
नहीं जाना है जाओ. Spendabender ही है subreddit. वहाँ पे put your products, dude. Next time, okay.
Actually,
If you put your
yeah,
product,
yeah.
if you put your product, next episode we'll talk about it. ठीक है? So put your product.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for watching until here. If you've reached to this point, okay, please comment #Starbucks Paglu. Okay, that's
Paglu.
yeah.
Yeah. Or chayos simplu.
Yeah, or #ChayoSimplu. One
Yeah.
of these you can comment and we'll know. Okay,
Yeah.
but thank you so much for
Thank
watching.
you.
Bye,
Yes.
bye, 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 bye.